Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's time for the jobs report. How exciting. Jobs report just around the corner. We're covering it live. This can affect the whole market today. It's going to be bullish, bearish. We'll find out in just a few minutes' time. This could be a game changer for your portfolio if you are prepared. We're going to go through it all with you. We're going to be there live with you. We're going to ring the bell today together. We've got a members day where you can get free stock analysis. You got it. Free stock analysis for many people. For all our members, then our Electra members get something even more exciting. It's a day for members today. You're going to love this one. So the jobs report is seconds away. Are you ready? You've got now time to tap the like button and hit the subscribe button and be with us live as we cover the jobs report live. What does it all mean for your portfolio? Can you survive? The war is carrying on. I'm going to give you a spoiler alert. I can see a recession coming. I don't see how we can avoid it. The war's gone on for too long. We're going to be there. I'll see you right back right after this. This gives you a chance to put the kettle on and get ready for an explosive jobs report. If you are watching later, you can fast forward this and skip right through to the action. Now it's time for the action itself. We're going to ring the bell together on the jobs report. Here we go. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Got a big day today. If you're a member, there's going to be all kinds of members events today. You're going to love it. Free stock analysis for our members. Got a big announcement coming as well, where we're giving away my Luca coin, and you can spend it on some really cool stuff. All that's coming up today, but right now, though, we have got the jobs report. We're going to be there live for it. You're going to see it all happen here live, probably slightly before Bloomberg and CNBC. I don't know. We always manage to catch it a second before, but there you go. No shakes, but we are doing that. We're going to see how the market reacts today. We're going to cover it in two different ways. I've got Jim Cramer and the team at CNBC ready to share their thoughts with me, and Becky Quick doing her usual thing. Good morning. How you doing? What is that? What is that? Why do people do that today? They talk like that. They can't be bothered. Becky Quick from CNBC. Yeah, we do. We got all that going on. No, not here. We got energy. We take a breath. We breathe. What is that? Why do people do that today? How you doing? Why do people do that? Stop doing it. It drives me bloody mad. I can't stand it. There's no need for it. It's not a human voice. Anyway, we have got... It's a mad day, right? Now, the thing is, what we're trying to do is beat the market for 4 years in a row. It's been 3 years. Let me show you. You've got to be strategically ready for every situation. The economy is 6 months behind the stock market, right? So 6 months ahead. I try to be 7. And for 3 years in a row, all my predictions, all my price targets, all my position has been right for 3 years. I've beaten Buffett, beaten Berkshire Hathaway, the S&P, hedge fund managers for 3 years in a row. I'm going for 4 years. So let me show you. The S&P this year, everybody will tell you the S&P this year is booming. We're all doing great. Are we doing great? Year to date, what's it actually looking like? Why has that changed? My screen looks slightly different this morning. Never mind. I've no idea why that's doing that. It seems slightly different. Year to date. Year to date on the S&P 500, if you look at it, we are up 7.2. The market isn't booming. Inflation isn't coming down. In fact, inflation is now going to go up because the war's gone on way too long. All right, you can't avoid it now. No economist in the world thinks inflation is coming down and the oil is not a problem. It is a problem. Nothing you can do about it now. So we got 7.2%. That is the S&P this year. All right, so let's look at my portfolio this year. How have I performed? Year to date, if we go to stocks and shares, take out crypto, year to date on my stocks, 25%, 7, 14, 21, 3.5x this year. Not too bad. Not too bad. Done that now for 3 years in a row with no options, no shorts, no gambling, no guessing. And all of that was done by just buying the S&P at the right time. Now, people on YouTube, because they want to make it simple for you, will say you can't buy the bottom. Don't try just dollar cost average. Rubbish, rubbish, rubbish. I buy the bottom all the time. Never sell the top, because when is the top? There's no top. The top goes on forever. There is no top, but there is a bottom. I always focus on getting the deal, getting the winning price, and then winning. And then trading. You've got to trade. If you simply buy and hold forever, you miss out all the events. And I've done this over and over again. If you look over the last couple of years, if I show you back to here, you will see that was Liberation Day. That was the war. We've done it all over. We've done it several times now. And during the war, there's been lots of opportunities to reposition. We took our profit on the S&P in October. We sold it all. We bought back in February. And within a month, we made all our gains for the year. You can do it, and you can do it tax efficiently without paying tax. You can do it in a way where you can use lots. Most people just focus on averages, and they're always losing when they think they're winning. Have you ever done that? Have you ever traded on Robinhood thinking, why am I always down when I keep thinking I'm winning? The reason why you're always losing money is, one, you're not using lots. You're using your average price, and you're selling the first in, first out. It's called the FIFO rule. Now, if you want to know what that's all about, we teach it for free. absolutely for free. Why? Well, I actually make money from investing and trading. I don't need to sell stuff to do that. We offer services where we can help you. I'm the world piano man as voted by Elton John. I simply want to help people, and that's it. I'm winning all the time, and you can too. I talk directly with hedge fund managers, Wall Street managers, CEOs, friends everywhere, and I simply do my research, look at the numbers, do the boring stuff. Yesterday, we knew the recession was guaranteed. How did I know? How did I know? None of you watched it. I covered the McDonald's earnings. I think about 1,000 people watched it out of 113,000 subscribers. They told you recession's coming by the price of everything they deal with going up in September. Exactly what I've been saying for a year. All right, so there it is. It's very easy to win if you pay attention, but most people aren't focusing on what matters, the boring balance sheets, the boring earnings calls. I don't find them boring because I like making money consistently. Those that gamble and guess, you're looking at charts, lines, you're looking at YouTube channels predicting all kinds of nonsense, and you keep losing. There's no need for it. So the jobs report is in 10 minutes. What's going to happen? Now, I honestly don't know. I haven't got a clue. I can't predict it one way or the other, but what I can predict with 100% certainty is we are heading for a major pullback. So I've gone defensive. That doesn't mean to say my defensive position won't go down. It will, but I have cleared all my margin. I don't see any point in paying 4% now in the market. That's what it costs on my margin. What is the point when I can't make more than 4% for the rest of the year by staying in certain stocks? What's the point? So I've sold it. I used margin at the right time. I had $500,000. I made a lot of money. Now I'm out of margin and I've moved my positions. Let me show you exactly what I've got here. So today is a special day. We've got members events coming up. We're going to be switching to members events where you can have free stock analysis. Here are the links that you need as I show you my portfolio. First of all, everyone tap the like button. Come on, let's get 100 likes before the jobs report. We've got exactly 10 minutes. Then you can consider subscribing. I'll show you in a minute how many people have subscribed during the show. It's always quite exciting, live as it happens. All right, I'll put all your comments on the screen and I'll answer everyone's questions. Let me give you a few links. There is X and Instagram. The last few days I've been going viral on Instagram. Absolutely amazing. I had like 1 follower a year for like the first couple of years, and all of a sudden I'm getting like about 100 followers a day. It's really quite exciting. Expecting to be 10,000 followers on Instagram by the end of the year. People seem to really enjoy my little quirky things and little videos and stuff. So go and check out Instagram if you'd like to. It's a lot of fun, and there's X or Instagram in the chat. Now then, if you want our newsletter, we're hoping to have Sensei back soon. His wife gave birth to their first child a couple of weeks ago, and Sensei produces the best newsletter in the world. Well, we should say the second bestseller on Substack, and he often talks to Michael Burry. There is the newsletter chat, the link in the chat. It's below every video for you, and I get a lot of my information about how to invest from our very own newsletter. In fact, other YouTube channels use our newsletter as a guide. Pretty cool, right? Here is the membership link if you want to become a member. Who else can say this on YouTube? If you become a member of our channel, there's no price increase ever. There's no discount ever. It's always 90% off. It's always at the same price. There's no inflation. For 4 years, coming up to 5 years in June, the price hasn't increased by 1 cent. And my promise to you, it never will. If you support the channel, we support you. That's what this is all about, all right? And we increase benefits all the time. And I'm about to tell you all about the Luca coin. How exciting is that? We're giving it to you, and you can spend it as well. I'll tell you about that in a minute. So let me show you my positions. Okay, so this is my position. I've just shown you I've beaten the market 3.5x this year. No options, no shorts, no guessing, no gambling. We've done that now 3 years in a row. Last year was over 50%, okay? Just by buying the S&P and Coca-Cola at the right time. So here's my position. And my full total balance invested is this. And I started with $5,000. So don't tell me you can't make money by buying the S&P and Coca-Cola. You simply have to work hard, keep going. I never stop, 12 hours a day, nearly 5 years in a month's time. That's what it's all about. And this is not all about income. It isn't about how much money you've got or how much money you earn. It's about buying the right stocks at the right time. And timing is everything. And price you pay is everything. Okay? It's important. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Focus on that. So here is my, first of all, crypto position. We've got 8 minutes to go before the jobs report. I've only got 3 crypto. That's it. I don't need millions. Not important. I just need the best of the best. XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I understand it. I speak to Ripple, I know about XRP. I speak to Robinhood, I know about Ethereum. It's what their Robinhood network is built on. The tokenization, it's all Ethereum. And Bitcoin, just for a laugh, just to say I've got some Bitcoin. I've got a bit of Bitcoin. Don't really care for it much, but I have some. And I'm up on all of it. Fantastic. I'm not buying the pump. I always buy when you get liquidated and you overbuy. Retail always does it. That's why we don't share our trades on the screen. We do it all privately for our Discordians and our Electra members. They all get stitched up. We always win. We always buy it when you get blown out and liquidated. So we're up on all of these positions. We're not buying. How much have I got invested? Not a great deal, actually. About 13% of my portfolio, $44,000. Not too shabby, but we will be trimming this shortly, and I'll be telling all of my Electra members and Discordians exactly when, why, and when I'm selling it. And we'll do it live together. There'll be no doing it just telling you what I'm going to sell it for here on the show. We know exactly where to take profits from our crypto, and we will be selling soon. Okay, there we go. Now, what about my stocks and shares? All you need is the best 500 businesses in the world. That's the S&P 500. We've got 5 minutes to go before the jobs report. Stand by. We'll be going to Bloomberg, CNBC, catching it all live. We're ready to go. As you can see, all the multiple screens coming in. I've actually got a studio with 26 screens around me. Do you want to have a quick look around? And there we go. We got all my monitors are up here. You can't actually see them. That's the intention. But yeah, there's all kinds of stuff. And if I lean to the right, you'll see behind me, there's a whole... You can't really see it, can you? There's stuff behind me. Anyway, let's get on. We've got 5 minutes to go. The best S&P, without a doubt, is VOO. That's how you access it. Remember what S&P is. It's Standard & Poor's rating agency. It's not a magic trick. Wasn't designed to help you get rich. It's a rating agency, and it's as corrupt as everything else on the stock market. But that's the game you got to play. VOO is the way to buy it. It's the most cost-effective, passively managed fund. And if you manage it properly, you can make a lot of money, as I've shown you already. VUG. Now, VUG is the S&P on steroids. It's what makes the S&P at the top, 30%, but it concentrates it for the whole thing. It's very much tech. If you like Google and Nvidia, these are my top 2 positions. We made a lot of money on them this year. Very, very good indeed. I have an inside track with Google as I work for YouTube. I see the CPM rate. I know what they're earning, so I share it with you. So we sold all of that and we moved it into VUG, so we got a tax-efficient way of doing it, so we didn't end up paying any tax on the gains because we did a tax loss on paper and then transferred it into VUG. I've sold all of that. I've sold all my S&P and I've sold all of VUG. I've gone now all in. 700 grand now. My entire portfolio is Coca-Cola. Why? Because it's going to 90 bucks. It's a defensive position. It's earning me, what, 2.8% dividend, which is pretty good. I'm out of margin. I'm earning money on it. It will dip. When the market crashes with a yen carry trade or a full recession, that's 40%. That means Coca-Cola will go down about 15, 20%. It will still go down, but I've made the money. Nearly about 100 grand of my Coke now is free from the profits. So it won't matter if it goes down. However, I am about to trim that as well because I'm very confident the recession is coming and I want to trim off that as well. But right now, I'm in a defensive position and I'm making money on that as well. Then SGov. Now, for the first time since October, I'm back in treasury bills. And this is all I have. $41,000 earning me money every single day, 3.55%, more than I can get on uninvested cash on Robinhood. Now, yesterday, we learned about Legal & General, a very important business. Nobody watched it because it was boring. You were all sat there watching bro channels, how to lose your money, and no one was paying attention. I did a full breakdown analysis on Legal & General because I was asked, because it was paying out a 7, 8 and 9% dividend. Would that be even better than treasury bills? And I showed you, no, it's not. Because of the reason is it only pays it out every 6 months. So you get about 7%, that's great, but you only get about 3% in the first 6 months, and then the other 4, if you kind of break it down like that, at the end of the year. So it's not really a passive income, and the stock isn't really compensating for it either. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't give you liquidity. It doesn't give you cash flow. So it's not actually the way to go when you look at it. If you can earn 3%, say 2.8 on Coca-Cola, and get 10, 15, 20% if you buy it right, that is far better, isn't it? With real benefit and cash flow. Legal and General, as I learned yesterday, was a great business for those that work there and really own it. But as a shareholder, it doesn't reward the shareholders. It rewards itself to be able to pay out its big payouts as an insurance company. So no, it doesn't make any sense when you get something like that promising big profits that pay out to you. When you look down deep, it actually doesn't make you any money. Right, let's go. We've got 2 minutes to go. The jobs report on standby. Here we go. We are ready for the jobs report. I've got multiple sources coming through. I'm going to bring it to you live. So you've got 1 minute to smash the like button. Let's see if we can get, it's absolutely rubbish today. Everybody's asleep. We've got 19 likes. That's no bloody good. Let's get to, no we go, we've got 79. Let's get to 100 likes in 1 minute. Are you ready? I'm going to bring in the report in 1.5 minutes. So here you go, 1.5 minutes to get 150 likes on the screen in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All right, jobs report round the corner. We've got 19 likes. I'll refresh that. It's gone up a bit. It's gone up since then. We are now straight out of the gate. We want 150. 1 minute to go. 77. Boom. 77. Refresh the screen. 150 likes. Let's go, 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 go. Jobs report. 1 minute to go. 87. 87. Boom. Refresh it again. Refresh it again. Come on, everybody. Tap the like button. 95. We're nearly getting to Jess on YouTube. Boom. We've got 30 seconds to go. 95. We want 100. Let's go. Refresh the screen. 105. We did it. Thank you very much indeed. Big round of applause. Let's go, 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 go. Do. Okay, it's time for the jobs report. Let's go. Here we go. We're on a commercial break. Of course we are. CNBC, lazy. We'll be there before then. Watch this. Watch this. We'll be there before CNBC and Bloomberg. They always go to a break. Right, 178,000 previous on non-farm payrolls. It's coming in at 115,000 non-farm payrolls. They're on a bloody break. Don't worry about it. We'll come straight back to it. So non-farm payrolls on 115,000, down from 185,000. And unemployment rate is the same, 4.3. We will be coming to CNBC when they come back from the break.
Well, you want to care
4.3 was what it was before. It's 4.3 now. Average hourly earnings 0.2%. It was 0.3. We are on standby for CNBC. They're taking a bit of a break for God knows why at the wrong time. But anyway, we do have jobs coming slightly down from 185 to 115. Consensus was 62,000 though. Forecast was 95. So non-farm payrolls is higher than expected, but down from previous. Let's see what they say at CNBC. We're just waiting for them to come back from the break. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Please tap the like button.
Interesting.
Come on, everybody. Tap the like button and consider subscribing. So let's see how the market reacts. It's going down. It's not good. It's down from what it was. But at the end of the day,
America is sponsored by.
But at the end of the day, it is more than forecast. Come on, come off your break. Here we go. Here we go. Bloody hell, what's that about?
Welcome back to Squawk Box. Rick Santelli here, live at CME HQ with the big jobs report for April. 65,000 expected. Nay, nay, nay. We are much stronger. 115,000. 115. And last month, upward revision from 178 to 185. These are good numbers. Now, if you take the 2-month average, we did lose 16,000, so you know it's the month before the last month. And if we look at manufacturing payrolls, they're down 2,000. The reason I'm looking at them, because last month's minus 15,000, positive 15,000 was the best going all the way back to 11 of 23, Nova of 23. But we are giving a little bit back. All right, let's get involved in the earnings. Month over month earnings, light. 0.2. We're expecting 0.3. 0.2 actually is now a back-to-back number. 0.2 back-to-back. The comp would be 0.1, 1/10, the end of last year. If we look at a year-over-year perspective, also a miss. 3.6 versus 3.8. 3.6, of course, actually is better than our last look, which was 3.5. That was the lightest since May of 21. So 3.6 comps back up to the 3.8 level in February. Hours worked. This is important. One would think that AI is going to make a difference here. It is moving up. 34.3, 34.2 expected. 34.2 has been a big common number for most of 25. 34.3 was February, January of this year. To find a higher number, you're going all the way back to March of 24. Now, let's look at what I call U3, the unemployment rate. 4.3 last month, 4.3 now, 4.3 expected, no change. 4.4 is the high water mark for the year, and that was in February. To find a lower number, you're back to mid-25 at 4.1. Participation rate, labor force participation rate, 61.8. It moved down a tenth. We always like to see it move up. 61.8 would be, well, man, boy, that would be the lightest since September of 21 equals October of 21, moving in the wrong direction. And finally, we had U3, that was 4.3, the unemployment rate. Now we're going to look at U6, that's the underemployment rate, and that moved up 0.2, also not good, from 8% expected, 8% last month, now it becomes 8.2. That would be the highest level since Dece of last year when it was 8.4. If we synthesize all of this, before the numbers, we were at a 391 2-year. We're now at a 389. So 391 to 389, virtually unchanged on the week. We settled last week at 388. The 10-year, it was 437 before the number. It's 437 now. It settled last week. Do I hear it? Yes, 437. We are unchanged on the week after all those numbers. I don't like seeing the earnings a little bit light. I don't like seeing the underemployment rate go up. But when it comes to jobs, we're doing better than many would have expected. Becky, back to you.
Yeah, that's reflected in the equity markets, too. The Dow now indicated up by about 212. S&P futures up by 43. The Nasdaq up by 250. Hang in there for just a moment, Rick. Let's bring in Steve, get his thoughts on the numbers, too. What are you thinking, Steve?
Well, a big jump in the healthcare sector, about 53,000. Retail did well as well. And then transportation has been coming back. I would like to point out that there's a lot of critics of the ADP report, but in the list of alt data, ADP had this right. It was a strong number. I don't even think they want to get it right. They're doing their own thing, but it turns out this was a good indicator. Don't like the participation rate falling. I do like the hours worked rising. It's still a little on the low side, but you can add employees to the economy in two different ways. You can add bodies or you can add hours, and adding hours is adding GDP either way. So that's a good number. The manufacturing sector, remember we were looking for whether or not you're getting this resurgence in domestic production. You're not getting it if you're going to have -2 on manufacturing. Rick was right that last month, plus 15, raised some hope that that might be the case, but that's not happening. But again, it's a healthcare thing, a little bit of leisure hospitality up 14, but it's a good report. And I think if I could say this on cable TV, we don't need no stinking rate cuts, is what I think we're at right now. I think that's right? I mean,
I bet Rick would agree with you.
We don't need no stinking rate cuts, and the market ain't thinking it needs a stinking rate cut.
I don't think we have needed rate cuts for quite a long time, way before all the politics jumped into the Fed issue, who's leading it, who's voting for it. Cut it all out, Steve. I'm with you. The market doesn't need it. All-time highs almost every other day in several of the equity indices. Interest rates are well behaved. We're below 4.5. So the market is taking care of business actually in a much more efficient way than the Fed.
It's an important point, Rick, because two things. One is that the stock market rallied on this, which is, again, the market doesn't seem to need it. That's one. And two is looking out at the look at the 2-year. Just the 2-year tells you well anticipated strength in the job market, and it doesn't see the Fed moving to a hike here, but certainly doesn't seem the Fed. I mean, it's just, I'm going to take a sabbatical, because you look at these futures, it's like we're staying the same for 6 months.
Okay, in that case, we'll bring in the rest of our panel right now. Bye. The rest of our panel right now joining us to talk a little bit more about this too. Natasha Sarin is a
so there we go. That'll do for now.
Joe
So
Lord.
what do you make of that? Do you want to hear a bit more from the panel?
Also formerly
just a second
in the administration, and Stephanie Link, Hightower Chief Investment Strategist and Portfolio Manager, as well as a CNBC contributor. So let's
take this with a pinch of salt. These guys have all got
what
self-interest, but we'll listen a second.
On this. Do you agree with what Steve and Rick have just said about no rate cuts needed?
No rate cuts, so we're going to probably, Becky, start pricing tightening because, well, yeah, the economy, it's the next logical step along this wet path.
This is what I've been saying.
Inflation's moving up. You're seeing supply bottlenecks as per the New York Fed Global Supply Pressure Index. This feels a lot like a little bit post-COVID, where the market's underestimating the disruptions that may be coming through the pike.
Because of inflation.
Because of inflation, and the economy is holding up, and the job numbers, as Steve and Rick alluded to, are decent.
That's enough. I don't need any more. I've got all that I need. It's exactly as I predicted. We're not going to get rate cuts. I said that before the bank said it, before anyone said it. About a year ago, there'll be no rate cuts in 2026. This is one of my favorite moments when I like to ask the audience to fact check me. So Discordians, Electra members, those that follow me every day, all the members, please. If I said there'd be no rate cuts in 2026, nearly a year ago now, say yes in the chat, or no, Martin, you're a liar and a scammer and you make it all up. Please fact check me. It's important to do that, folks, because a lot of people are watching all the time, and we need to have this show fact checked. And that's important because I have the, not only do we have the 100,000 plaque, but we have, more important than that, we have the verification tick on the channel. That means from YouTube, we are genuine and authentic. If you've never seen that on the channel, by the way, that's important for a YouTube channel. Look at this, for a financial channel. See this? This tick here means genuine and authentic. That's very, very important. I'm just going to check that, actually. It just occurred to me. There's some big YouTube channels that do not have that, but I just wanted to see... Yeah, they do. I was just making sure. I thought, you know what? I haven't seen it on there, but I have. Yeah, it's good. I was just checking CNBC. I thought, do they have it? They do. We're very proud of that. Anyway, so there you go. Yeses. My members are going yes. Yes. Somebody who's not a member just wanted to come in and make a dick of himself, so that's fine. There we go. Right, 10. You are completely lying, so I'm going to ban you from the channel, okay? We don't have liars. We don't need you to watch. We don't have scammers here. You can see all my members are going yes. They know what I said. You're coming in to try to discredit the channel. You're making up lies. You said I said 2 rate cuts. No, I didn't. So what we're going to do is we're going to take care of business, and we're going to ban you from the channel because we don't want liars and scammers in the channel. You serve no value to anyone. I don't need your ad revenue, so I'm not putting up with it. Where's he gone? I'm trying to bloody do it. There we go. Right. There we go. No. So banned from the channel. There you go. If you're going to lie, blatant lie, to try to discredit the channel when we have the highest accolades and credentials, then you're banned because we're not having it. All right? You can't lie. You can have an opinion. You can say I'm an idiot, but to say I said there'd be 2 rate cuts when I didn't, and you know it, you are out of the game. Go and watch a channel that will scam you. All right? This one doesn't. Okay, so no rate cuts this year. as they said, the market can possibly afford it, right? Because the way the S&P is being repriced. However, we're not going to just pay any price for anything. Euphoria is ridiculous. When everyone down the pub is telling you to start buying, then you know it's time to start selling. There's a reason why I've beaten the market 3 years in a row. It's very, very important, all right? So we're not going to just keep buying and buying and buying. This is why I've gone defensive. This is why I believe we're going to walk straight into a recession in September, October. We're not going to have rate cuts. There's not going to be a massive boom. We are going to continue rising for a couple of more months, but I have moved defensive because I'm not going to wait for it. I'm not going to catch the top. I'm intentionally not trying to catch the top. I bought the bottom and now I'm safe, because once you make money, and let me tell you now, when you start making money, because I started at $5,000 and I'm now at, where is it? There we go, 719. You can see we've beaten the market again this year. You start going, you know what? I want to protect my money, because 10% a year, even 4% a year, just in treasury bills is really good. I'm happy with that. That's a good income. Remember why you invest in the first place: to provide yourself with an income. You don't invest to join a fan club, buy a t-shirt or whatever. Now, they said on CNBC, because they always talk about boom. They never talk about crashes. That's why they employ Tom Lee every day. We're always going to boom. We're always going to do this. That's what sells people to go. It's why they'll get more views than me, because we're all going to get rich all the time. I just tell you how it is, what I'm doing with my money. You believe me or not, it doesn't matter to me, but I'm going to keep winning whether you watch, don't watch, believe me or don't believe me. I don't see how we can keep rallying at these rates. I just don't, all right? And I'm always bullish. There's always a way to make money, but euphoria is not the way to do it. So I have trimmed, I'm prepared, and I've started to pull back. So let's look at what's moving. They just said on CNBC the market's pumping on this news. Well, is it? Let's break it down. XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, all up today. Is it really pumping? Okay. Now, if it was really bullish, this would be up 5-10%. It's crypto. It's up 0.42. It's great, but we all know there's no rate cuts. And without rate cuts, no liquidity, you're not going to get a big rally in crypto. Now, I do see XRP going to $5, but not the 100 and the 1,000 that everybody predicts on the bro channels, all right? We don't believe that here. But I'm very happy to go to $5. I'd be absolutely ecstatic with $3, to be quite honest. And I'll be selling on the way up to that as well. And all my Discordians every day and Electrum members, you'll see me do it. Ethereum. Now, Ethereum's up 0.43. They're all tracking each other. It's not pumping. It's not booming, but it's up. And I do see it going up. Tom Lee says 14,000 because he makes the classic mistake, the first class sales pitch. Well, if it only does 1% of what Bitcoin did and da-da-da-da-da, that is the most ridiculous statement. Now, I know that firsthand because I played at Mark Cuban's house as the world piano man, and Mark Cuban spoke to me about, Martyn, be the best of yourself and you'll always win. And one thing he said was one of the things they get on Shark Tank all the time is when somebody walks in and they say to the sharks, look, the phone business or the drinks business is $10 trillion bazillion, and if I only capture 1% of that, we'll all be billionaires. You try and capture 1% of Coca-Cola's business. It's easier to go to the moon than to do that. You've got, and I mean literally go to the moon is easier than to do that. So when people say, oh, well, like Tom Lee says, oh, well, if Ethereum just does what Bitcoin did and it goes to, I think he said 14,000. These are all stupid numbers and he knows it. He's a salesman. He's got his Ethereum badge and his granny shots on his lapel selling it every day. He's a salesman, very clever salesman, but nevertheless, and I know the theatre because I've done Bloomberg interviews and it's all about theatre and drama, the hairstyle, the glasses, looking down, all the sad faces, the calm voice, all of it is production. It's nonsense. But I do like Ethereum. I understand it. I've spoken to the people that are building the exchanges in Dallas. I've spoken to Robinhood. I understand they use it on the Robinhood network. But just making up numbers because 1% of something else would be this is utter nonsense. It's not how you value businesses, and he knows it. Then you've got Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is up 0.67. Great, I've got a little bit of it, not much, just a couple of grand. It's just a bit of fun just to be in it, I guess, really. But this is great, and it can go to 100,000. Maybe it'll go higher. I'm very happy to go to 100,000 though. I'm not greedy, and I won't be selling it either. I won't be selling it. I've got such a small amount of it. I'm just in for the ride, just for like a little fairground ride ticket. I'm just in for the ride to be along with the journey. Let's now go on the S&P. Now, the S&P is up 0.6. Is it rallying? Well, we have to step back to understand what that really means. Year to date, the S&P, the S&P, is up 7%. What does that mean? Means it's basically an average year. Now, when you're told everything is booming and you're basically an average year, it's not really booming, is it? It's just catching up from where it was during the war. It's not ahead, it's not rallying, it's not booming, but CNBC, because that's the way they work, they want you to watch and get excited. They don't want to upset you, so you turn off. I don't care. I just tell you how it is, because I get judged by winning, not by how many people are watching. That's not what I do, all right? Okay? I don't see it rallying. Now, that's why I've trimmed and taken my profit. Now, could I have made some more? I was all in on this a few days ago. I had $500,000 in margin, and I had a lot in the S&P, not all of it. And I trimmed and I took profits. Now, the reason why I trimmed and took profits is because I think it's about to come crashing down. Now, it doesn't, of course, I won't get the top right now, but I'll be back in again. Now, the reason why I sold, if you look at VUG is going up even more. What does that mean? That tells us concentration. We've got concentration in a handful of businesses, and that's fine. Oh, hang on a minute. Sensei said people in the chat are not happy for banning someone for telling the truth. All right. Hang on a minute. This person just lied. Let me come to the chat a minute. Let me come to the chat. You said 2 rate cuts. You even said it a month ago. No, I didn't. That's a complete and utter lie. I did not say 2 rate cuts this year. Did you guys forget? Yes, or longer. Sensei said no rate cuts. You said no. Complete lie. 10-3-3-6-2. I banned you because you're a liar. You've just made up stuff. I did not say we'd get rate cuts this year. I've been saying consistently for a year we would get no rate cuts. Absolutely. There you go. Never lie. Look, it's always the trolls and the non-members. Yes, you did say. Do you want to get banned as well? We don't put up with liars. We don't need your ad revenue. Miss watching Martin. Life's been busy making money on Coca-Cola. He mean about the summertime, maybe. No, I'm a subscriber and I heard it. You are not a non-member. Another one. These are non-members making up stuff to try to discredit me, and that's fine. They can do it, but we'll judge it. Trolls are trying so hard. Yes, they are. Good morning. I joined just in time for the numbers. Banner Martin, clear them out. Absolutely right. I've been saying consistently for 1 year, no rate cuts in 2026. Once again, I'm going to go. In fact, what I'm going to do now is we're not going to put up with this nonsense anymore. Not only am I banning you, I'll ban everybody who's not who's going to lie. And what we're going to do now is prove it to you live on air. Are you ready? Here we go. So what I'm going to do is show you how confident I am in my numbers. I'm going to do this. We're going to go and we're going to prove it to you. Watch. So we're not going to have the liars taking over the channel, making up stuff. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to switch to members only and ask the question again so everyone can see it without the corruption of the trollers, the scammers and the liars. So here we go. Now we are in members only mode. So now we've got just investors, not trolls. Let me ask the question again. All right. So now we're not going to have it filled with idiots making up stuff. Did I say consistently there would be no rate cuts in 2026? Have I been saying that now for a year? No rate cuts. It's a very simple question. No rate cuts in 2026. Yes or no? We are members only mode, so now we've got all the idiots out. We can get a real thing and all the trolls can see what's being said. So, Chris, so you are a financial advisor. Have a check mark on a financial channel. No, I'm not a financial advisor. That's not what it means. And I just told you what it means. It means genuine and authentic, all right? If no rate cuts are forecast, does this make it bearish for the markets? Not necessarily, no. Not necessarily, no. But I am trimming. The reason for recession is inflation and a carry trade, not the rate cuts. As you heard on CNBC, and they were right with that, the market can still go up. Doesn't mean it got forever, though. Why not just pull up a tweet to support your statement instead of creating a flame war? Well, Chris, it's my channel. I do what I like. If you don't agree with it, go and set up your own channel. I prefer to engage with the audience because I actually enjoy getting rid of bad people. I enjoy it because we are winners here on this channel. And if people want to come in and discredit things, they can't do it. They can't do it here. They can go anywhere they want and do it. Not here. We challenge and take on everyone. All right. I see. Lots of trolls here today. 1970 Buckley. Yes, there are indeed. Got a feeling Iran and us make a real deal very soon. Once this happens, the markets go up. No, it won't. Once the deal is made, the markets will go down. It's called buy the cannons, sell the trumpets. It's already priced in that the war is over, and it's not. This is a dangerous position. Starlight, boom. I heard you say 2 rate cuts many times. This is one of our non-members before I went members only. I'm giving them a chance to show you what was said earlier. Even last month you said 1 or 2 rate cuts. Why did you ban someone for telling the truth? I did not ban someone for telling the truth. You're lying as well, and if you continue, I'll ban you as well. You're lying as well. I did not say that. How many years, sir, since 5 grand to 700,000? It's been 4.5 years. If you go back to the beginning, I started with $5,000 4.5 years ago. It's all been done live on the show. Can I send a clip of you saying it? 2 rate cuts. You can do what the bloody hell you like, mate, except you can't share links in the channel. You can send it on Discord if you're a member there, and I'll happily share it on the screen. But you haven't got it. It doesn't exist. Any member here remember him saying 2 rate cuts? No, because I never said it. All right. Welcome to all members and subscribers. Say yes in the chat if you remember him saying 1 or 2 rate cuts. You can't do a poll on my channel. What are you talking about? Physical oil is now 25% higher than the paper price, which is a world record. Gas prices are 42% higher than, I don't believe, Laura, I don't think it's the highest ever at all. We've gone a lot higher than this. I think we were $160 a barrel at one point, but I may be wrong on that. I haven't got the numbers in front of me. Predict everything and you'll be right eventually. I've been right 3 years in a row, Genetic Smite, on every single call, every single trade, and I've done it with my portfolio. I mean, we're not making this stuff up, folks. We're not making it up. I mean, there it is on the screen. Year to date, I mean, you're looking right at it. I mean, it's not, this is not, you know, it's not rocket science. You're looking at it on the screen. All right. So you say what you like. Okay. Nvidia today. Thoughts, anybody? Yes. He said 2 rate cuts. Another non-member, another idiot. Loads of people are going to get banned today if you're going to come in and talk rubbish. Yes, he can correct himself, but not lie about saying last year that the ban someone for, no. What an absolute idiot. I'm not putting up with this bloke either. Look at this. He said you can't ban someone for a difference of opinion. I don't know what school you went to, but I'm pretty sure if you say someone is a liar and say they did something which they didn't, it's not an opinion. It's a statement of fact, except it's a lie. It's not true. It's not an opinion. I'm not banning someone for an opinion. That doesn't even make sense. You need to go back to school, mate. An opinion is an opinion. A statement of fact referring to a lie is just a lie. Simple as that. What utter nonsense. He can, but maybe a bit harsh. No, not harsh at all. If you come in here and you try and upset my Discordians and my members and try to manipulate the market, tell lies, you're gone. I don't need your ad revenue. We're here to help. I'm always going to do what's right for my members and what's right for Discordians. That's it. That's what I'm here for. That's what I do. That's it. I make no excuse or apology for that. Everything is about helping people. This entire channel is about helping people. If you want to come in here and lie in front of everyone, you are out of here. That's it. 2, he didn't say that at all. There you go. Anyway, in the summer maybe. No rate cuts this year. Hello, everyone. Maybe I understood wrongly. Right, now we're starting to calm down. Martyn has always said no rate cuts this year. There we go. Catalina 22. I repeat, Martyn has always said no rate cuts this year. There we go. A person that lies creates anarchy that hurts people from making money. Give credit where credit is due. That's right. Okay, we're not having people come in making stories to influence and damage people. We're here to help people. This is not your little channel so you can have a little rant and you can lie about everything. All right. I remember you saying 2 rate cuts, but mostly likely none. No rate cuts this year. No rate. Dan Ackerman's not a member either. Let's have a look. Go Martyn, absolutely. I mean, you said no rate cuts. That's correct. You said no rate cuts. Amano, don't say anything more. I really remember wrongly? I don't know what you remember. Hello everyone, said Yes Didn't Win, one of our moderators. Martyn said, if we get a rate cut in 26, it will only be 1. That's as close as he's ever gotten to getting one. That's right. That's right. I said if we do get a rate cut, we 1 at best, but I don't see rate cuts at all for 2026. Absolutely. I've never said we're getting 2 rate cuts this year. Never said that. Never said that for a whole year. Hi, Thomas Morrow, said Yes Didn't Win. Rubbish on trolls. Yeah, they try and we get rid of them. Amano, now you can talk on Discord with him. Yes, indeed. Yes, there we go. See? Did I say no rate cuts? Yes. Yes. Liz. Tony. Sawyer. Yes. Logan Strand. Yes. Thomas Morrow. Yes. Mr. Keith. Yes, you did. Not a year, but a few months. Yes. 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 You literally been saying no rate cuts on repeat. There we go. Everybody now is in the chat confirming. You see what I did there? Now, people have come here this morning and said, this is terrible. Martyn's banning people for telling the truth. No, we're here to help our members. We're not here for you to have a little stupid rant because you're an idiot. That's not what this is for.
Tidy Big Dog tipped £1.99 through Super Chat. Keeping it real, thanks.
That's it. We keep it real whether you like it or you don't. That's it. And my members and my Discordians want it that way because we're here to make money, not to lose listening to bloody idiots who just want to make themselves feel important. All right. That is not what we do. Okay. So they said on CNBC the market's pumping. I don't see that. Do you? No, that was rubbish as well. Just sold all my Nvidia, 9,000 profit. Congratulations. Yes, you did say it. Woo, there you go. It's Economics 101. Yes, we are professionals here. Yes, we are investors that make money. You read them out. I will read them out. Yes, every single one. I thought you said if we did, it would only be 1. Correct. That's right. I cannot see a rate cut. If we do, however, maybe 1. But the answer was most categorically no. No rate cuts. And that's what I'm saying. I'm standing by it. Late into the year, but last 2 months, yes, no rate cuts. Yes, you did not say that. There will be no rate cuts. Correct. I've been asking for about a year now. Martyn has definitely said that there will not be rate cuts. There is no absolute guarantee. Do your own research. That is correct. That is correct. Not this year, at least. Starlight, there you go. Good morning, everyone. Jacko, Starlight, cheers from Ilsa Hoblocks. Get rid of those trolls. They are gone. Jacko, Tidy, sold all my Nvidia. I love it when he gets spicy. This is what you want. You want the truth. You get the truth. My opinion is to ban them all. Yes, excellent work. Go, Martyn. That's a lot of spice for a Friday. It's going to be a good day. Absolutely no rate cuts. Could they have just been mistaken? No, they weren't mistaken, Mike. They were making it very clear. They were trying to discredit the show. They were trying to damage you. They were trying to confuse the information. So now we're going to give them a chance to come back. Now we've had the noise filtered out. Now, once again, they can come back. So let me undo it. We are now in subscribers only mode. So now all the trolls who are probably tuned out because they got bored of being dickheads. They can now come back if they want to, and they can respond to you, and let's see what they say. So now we are in subscribers only mode. Let's see what they say. Now we've had everyone say, no, I didn't say it. Trolls are super liars. Thanks to Martyn, it's safe. My portfolio doesn't waste time. Martyn with his people that don't understand. That's right. We don't lose money. We're always winning. We only have the truth. And if someone comes in talking nonsense where it can damage my members, they are out of here. I don't care whether they super chat me, become a member. I don't care. I want to do what's right for you. Trolls are super liars. Thanks to Martyn, it's safe. My portfolio is safe. Yes and yes, says Javel. Just keep going forward with information and productivity. Refer to your advice a month ago. Never argue with fools. This will change your life forever. I agree with you, Mr. Keith. You should never argue with fools. You shouldn't argue with fools because you waste your breath. They are stupid. They'll always be stupid, and you can't fix them. You are right. However, if they come in front of us and they try to damage us, we get rid of them. We put them out with the rubbish. I don't allow it to go unsaid. A lot of people on YouTube will let it carry on. People will let it carry on because it gets them views and they get more subscribers and they earn more ad revenue. I don't care about that. I only care about what's right for my viewers. So when I see it, I don't argue. I just turn them off. I just put them in the rubbish. I just call them out. There's a difference. I'm not going backwards and forwards. I'm simply telling you how it is. And I use all of my members to verify what I just said. Yes, no rate cuts. It's better in members only mode. Well, we like to have some fun, don't we? Don't you enjoy Whack a Troll? Isn't it fun to get rid of idiots? I think it is. Oh no, said Liz. Okay, we're back in non-members mode now. Blick the trolls. Please got back to stocks. I'm not sure. Get back to stocks. You do realise we've done about 400 stock reviews, and we've covered like earnings calls for 5 years. We do a lot of serious stuff. We just happen to be on air 12 hours a day, and you've seen this, and you think it's all about talking to trolls. It really isn't. Can we just talk about the markets? We'll get back to that in a second, Liz. What are your thoughts on prime entry into the market right now? I've moved into defensive. Nothing's worth buying right now. Nothing is worth buying right now. I'm now building up my treasury bills. Dan Ackerman, I could have been 2025, but I remember you saying 2 rate cuts, but most likely, yes, it was 2025, not 2026, Dan. Want to be absolutely clear. Everyone has confirmed it. We now know it to be true. And you're welcome, of course, to talk now. All non-members can now speak again. I'm a non-member, and I've listened for about a year. And Martyn said no rate cuts. Thank you, Eric Orman. I appreciate that. It's nice to come from a non-member because 98% of our live viewers are members. So when we get trolls, they tend to be non-members. It's just the way our channel is. So it's nice that that's come from a non-member. Thank you. You said 12 rate cuts. Oh, God. All right. I'm just going to ignore you because obviously you're just talking silly now. Dan, yes, but just stop now. Recently, I've definitely said no rate cuts. Thank you very much indeed. Block the trolls, please. Get back to the market. They enjoy wasting the channel's time. DJ Lee, you're probably right, but it's important to always put the rubbish out. We don't like to do it. There's things we don't like to do, but for the integrity of the show and the reason why it grows and the reason why you're all members is because we do stop sometimes and take a break. I mean, the last few days, how many reviews have I done? How many earning calls have I done? So if we have a few minutes of putting the rubbish out, please bear with me. It's important. We can't just be stocks 24/7. We're stocks 23/7. All right? It's all good. I'm not here to damage or attack anyone. We certainly know that, Dan. You've been a member for a while, I believe. Thank you all, Javel. Personally, I misunderstood. Not saying or lying. I support you 100%. I know you do, Amano. Thank you very much indeed. I see you on this Discord. That's right, isn't it? I think a crash is coming. Crash is definitely coming. I'm absolutely 100% certain. Why do you think I've gone into Coca-Cola? Maybe you could go back to the markets and resume. Yes, said Zach. Hello, Zach. Good morning. Just done a big dump. Okay. All right. So, okay. We don't have rude comments like that. Definitely a crash coming. Play the troll song. Potato family. Warsh once in will cut rates heavily. No, he won't. 100% he won't. He's not going to do that. He can't do that even if he wanted to because of the way the panel's made up. Warsh is not going to come in. You're entitled. That's the difference, folks, between an opinion and a fact. This guy, Crypto Coins Elite, is saying Warsh once will rate cut heavy. I'm sorry, it doesn't really make sense what you're saying, but he won't cut rates. And you're obviously into crypto and you think if you say it enough times, it'll happen because that's good for crypto. It's not actually good for crypto. It would put liquidity in the market, which you'd think would be good for crypto, but it will crash the market because the market understands, the bond market understands more than anything that you cannot cut rates. So you can want it. You can go in Reddit rooms and say, come on, boys, bros, we're going to get a rate cut and Bitcoin's going to go to $1 million and fart coin's going to go to $1 million, but it's not. You can say it, but it's not happening. All right? That's just the way it is. I can't access you on Discord anymore. Why, please? Did I miss something? You can't access me on Discord. Well, it's a subscription service. If you've cancelled your subscription or it's not renewed, then that's why you can't see. It's not a free open service. It's not been now for nearly 2 years. It's a subscription service. If you want to join Discord, there's the application. It's a couple of bucks a month, never go up in price, no inflation, and that's it. Yeah, that's why you can't access it. Martyn has been right so many times. Thank you, searching for the truth. XRP is always a good buy. That handled all you need is just 100 a bit. Okay, that doesn't. I'm not sure that makes sense really. XRP, I am in XRP, but I don't say it's a good buy because it has no intrinsic value, and I am in it. I've got $44,000 of crypto, but it has no intrinsic value like the S&P, Coca-Cola, Google, Nvidia, whatever. So I can't say it's a good buy at all. It's a speculative asset based upon people buying it, and that's the only reason why it goes up. It doesn't actually make any money, and it won't make money. It'll make money for those that use it in the institutions and the banks. It won't make money for you just by it going up in price, but that's not the same thing. Most trolls want to be members, but they want someone to blame for their mistakes. Very true. Crash will come. Yes, I'm 100% certain of it. Still here, Martyn. Well done. Thank you very much indeed. Chasing time. Gaming. What day? Gaming. What day? I love Liz. What day's the crash? What time? 3:15 on a Tuesday. I'll be there. I'll be there at 14 minutes past 2 on Tuesday. People don't understand how the Fed works. The Fed chair is not the one that decides. Absolutely right, Stevie. You are dead right. There's a panel that votes. He's only one vote. Absolutely right. I don't know why anyone keeps saying that the rates are going to go down when Warsh comes in. It's not possible. I need you to say healthy to continue for the great job. I need you to stay healthy to continue the great job that you do. Forget the rest, please. Sean June, my job is to provide the best service, and we have to take care of business. We have to put the rubbish out. We have to. You cannot ignore it. Do you know how many people I ban every day on Instagram and X? Every day. Copycat accounts. Every day. Every day. Every day. People try to scam my audience by recreating my account, by copying my account. X just love it. They're every day, half a dozen, every day. What do they want to provide to the world? Nothing. They want to scam you, though. They want to steal money from you. That's what they want to do. And I'm not going to stand by and watch that happen just so I can not talk about it and do an entertaining show. I've got a responsibility, a self-imposed responsibility. You tune into my show, you invest time, you support me, and I'm just going to ignore all the perils and focus on how I can make money out of you by providing entertainment. No, I'm going to make sure that this family is protected. Once we put the rubbish out, we get back to business and look at the market. All right, but we have to do both. Whether you like it or not, I've got to do it because it's what's right for this channel, which means it's right for you. Will we ever see XRP giveaway again, Martyn? I might do. I gave $1,000. Did we give $2,000 away? Who would like me to give away another $2,000? Anybody? Just put in the chat. If you'd like me to do another giveaway of $2,000 of XRP, say yeah. Talking about that, I'm going to come on to some free coins in a minute. So Martin, you upgraded the jukebox for tonight. New era. New era songs. What do you mean new era songs? I'm the same, mate. I'm just old. I play old songs, mate. People like to push that wash, comes in heavily, cuts rates. He likes to propose rate cuts, then you turn on it. Yeah, he's not going to do it. Everyone knows it. Anyone who understands anything does. I can say one thing as a member of your channel, but Tyler, you're not a member. Sorry to say, Tyler, that's very kind of you to say, but you're not a member. You don't have a membership badge. You are a subscriber to the channel. You're not a member. So Tyler says, I can say one thing as a member, except you're not a member, just want to be clear, of the channel, but not on Discord. Martyn is actually a genius. Okay, that's a bit strong, but okay, very kind of you. And not just a genius, but an honest one. He is one of the only legit ones not driven by others' money. Well, what is true about that statement? Number one, very kind of you. Thank you. You're not a member. That wasn't accurate. And I'm not a genius at all. Nothing smart about me at all. And I know less than all of you, right? I just learn from you. I just tell the truth. The difference is you can't buy me. Okay, we get offered 30, 40, 50 grand every day to sponsor the channel. And I say no, not because I'm rich. You know how much money I've got. That's all the money I've got in the world. I've got no more money, no pension somewhere else. This is the money I've got in all the world. I don't have much money. This is all I've got. Some people it's a lot, some people it's not. But every day I get offered 30, 40, 50 grand to sponsor the channel. But I'm not going to do it. Others will take the money wherever they can and say whatever someone pays them to do. They're basically robots. I mean, every other financial channel takes sponsorship. I've not seen one that doesn't. I don't, and I won't ever do it. I won't ever do it, okay? I'll tell you about things that I see are good, but I'm not going to take sponsorship. So that part is true. Thank you. Amprius, okay, AMPX. Let's have a look at this. Now, you had a tip this morning, last night, and I was looking at buying this. I've got 700 grand, which I could buy. We talked about it last night on Discord. It's up 4.5% today. Whoop-de-doo. Whoop-de-doo. I didn't buy it. There was a potential chance this could have gone up this morning, 25, 30%. Last night on Discord, I spoke to you about it, said I'm going to make some phone calls and talk to those that are buying this, and I was able to do so. And the answer was they wasn't. They're waiting for much better prices. So no, I didn't buy it. I was ready. Last night we discussed it in Discord. Shall I buy some Amprius this morning? Do a buying with conviction. With that massive drop yesterday, and I like the business. We covered it. We spoke with Tavaz, who was an expert in this subject. We spoke to him on Discord last night. This big drop here, massive drop, and saw a massive opportunity. But I decided to make a phone call, find out who's buying it. I did that and decided, no, it's not right. They're not buying it. Doesn't make sense. They think it's going to go lower. These are the people that actually move the stocks. I've got friends I talk to, and when the money buys, I buy. And they're not. So I didn't. 4.5% today was not worth the risk to reward. Not at all. Not taking money out of my portfolio to buy a speculative asset on that until I know the money is following it, and it's not. So thank you, Liz, for mentioning that. Okay, now what's going up now? Right, now exactly, now you might want to, the trolls will enjoy this. I told you that the markets would not pump on this news. CNBC said they were. I said they're not. It's going into defensive. Let me show you. There's the S&P 500 today. It's sold now on the news, okay? CNBC said this is great. Oh, yes, it's great. It's going up. I said no, and it would rotate into Coca-Cola. Now, all of my members, everybody else who watches the show, have I said that tech, the S&P, VUG is going to rotate into Coca-Cola? And Coca-Cola, in fact, I'm not even going to tell you the price. I want you to tell me what price I said. What was the price I said Coca-Cola is going to go to? Put in the chat and look what's happening. Coca-Cola is rotating this morning. It's going to, what is it going to go to? Put in the chat. I'm not going to tell you. But no, defensive is going to own the name of the game. No question about it. That's why all my money is now in Coca-Cola. And that's why the portfolio is now going up. Okay? So, good shout out, Tyler. Thank you very much indeed, Kurt Savage. Yes, I'll be there if it comes. I love it. Absolutely love it. Liz is all on it. Liz is on it. Okay, Martin, we don't want you getting your blood pressure up because of these idiots. Take care of your health. I'm fine, mate. I can deal with it. Don't you worry about it, mate. Don't you worry about it, mate. I'm here for you always. And whatever happens, I will go out fighting. I mean, what a great video that would be. No, all joking aside, seriously, folks. All right, at the end of the day, I want to just always deliver the best. And I'm going to work for you 24/7. Those that joined Discord yesterday, I had people message me, said I couldn't believe it. I was typing in the answers to the question and you replied to me with a voice message straight away. I had 3 people yesterday say that to me. Said, it's amazing. That's what I do. Talking of which, I'll go to Discord because I think a couple of people have tried to join. I'll go to onboarding in a second and I'll onboard you. So don't worry trying to evolve. I just love it. I feed off it. I love it. I love when people come in to try to discredit people and they try to tell lies. You all remember when I was at school, I was bullied really badly for about 4 years. Every day when I went home from school, I was bullied by a boy called Simon Morris. Punched me in the face, bloodied nose, ripped shirt every day for years. For years that went on. And I decided I would never be bullied again. And at 16, I left home, built a business, toured the world as the world piano man, and took care of business. I'm here for you. No one's going to beat us. Special mention here.
At High Energy Investments tipped $5 through Super Chat. You should look at Photonics. They are a British company that makes components for Starlink FLTCF.
Oh, do they? Always good looking at the subsidiary businesses that supply the businesses that are doing well, especially with an upcoming IPO. That's interesting. Thank you very much for that. As I get down to the bottom of the chat, I'll bring that up. So just stand by. Wait, so he is saying the market will crash. I do believe so. That's why I've gone defensive. That's why I'm up this morning. Good morning, Martin. High Energy Tidal will come in with us. What do you think Coca-Cola will do today? I don't know what it'll do today, but I know it'll be $90 by the end of the year. And I know I'll be selling on the way there. That's all I know. 2,000 all day, every day. 2K all day, every day. What do you mean by that, Logan? What does that mean? Yes, trying to evolve. Yes, yes, yes. I love it. I love it. Yeah. Oh, you all want the $2,000? Oh, I see. You all want me to give away $2,000 again. Yes, everyone's going, yes, yes. Well, we might do it again. I'll tell you what I am going to do now, though, for you. I'll get to it in a second. Let me get through all the questions. There's a British company that makes components for Starlink called Philtronics. You should look into it. Okay, I will. Give me a second. I'll get to that super chat. Yes, yes, yes. What happens if there are rate cuts this year? What are the pros and the cons? It's all cons. If we get a rate cut this year, it's because of pressure from Trump, which it won't come. Walsh won't do it, so it's not going to happen. If we get rate cuts, it would be bad for inflation because inflation is still too sticky. And with the war and the oil, we cannot avoid inflation now going up. It's impossible. It's gone on too long. Talk to any oil baron and they'll tell you. That's why we covered Chevron oil the other day. We covered Chevron oil. They see recession. We covered McDonald's. They see recession. The price of beef gone up. Aluminium, Coca-Cola, all these things. If you cover the earnings reports, they tell you. They literally tell you. But hardly anyone wants to watch the earnings. All right. So anyway, can you play Selena? I've never heard of that song, so the answer is definitely no. Any chance you think XRP could get to $3 this year or £3 this year? So what's £3? £3 is 450, is it? 425? Don't think so, no. I don't think so, no. Hello, Dennis. What can I say? You are just marvelous. Sean John, that's very kind of you. For music tonight, yeah, I don't know Selena. Never heard of it, mate. I wanted to say Discord, no score. I'm not sure I know what you mean, Lionel. Do you think Coca-Cola will rise before the crash? Yes. Yes, that's why I'm in it. If I didn't think that, I'd be out of that as well, wouldn't I? I'd be in treasury bills. Okay, thanks for the information about Amprius. You're welcome, Liz. Hold. Okay, the price target I gave was $90. Correct. Thank you very much, everybody, for confirming that. $90. Yeah. $90. That was the correct answer. $90. Yes. Will I sell at $90? Nope. I will sell it on the way. Can you said go to 898? Coke, you said could go to 98. 97 actually in 2027. We're talking about this year right now. End of 26, $90. But I won't be waiting for it. No, I'll be selling 82, 83, 84. I'll be trimming all the way up. I'm not going to try and catch the top, but I will catch the bottom. Coke, there you go. I said Coke will go to 1 million. There you go. That's the right answer. To the moon. Oh yeah, I always say that. $90. So super chat. You should look at Filtronics. They are a British company that make components for Starlink. Filtronics. Let me have a quick look for you. If you do a $10 super chat, I will do a full. Hang on, let me see if they're available first before I say that. The 10 facts. Filtronics is not available on the US stock market, so I can't do a full review on it. So I won't share it right now, high energy. I'll have a look later, but it's not something I can do. If I can't do a deep dive on it, then it's not, and people can't buy it, but more importantly, then it's, it's not the best thing to do. Dan, 91st, yeah, price target Coca-Cola today. You want to know today, do you? We will do the bell together. Will we do the bell together? Yes, we will. Yes, we will, Liz. We're going to ring the bell. Yes, I saw your show on a cruise ship. Once you did. You saw me on a cruise ship. There you go. I've been on all the cruise ships all around the world. Which one was it? Which cruise line? Where was you? I've been on all of them. From Viking to Celia to P&O, the QE2, Woodford Cruises, Crystal Cruises, Athena, Vikings, Royal Caribbean, Carnival, P&O, Disney, all of them. Yeah, all of them. It's been great. Not anymore though. I'm married now. It's a single man's life. Don't do it when you're married. No, you won't say married. If we did get a rate cut, I think the reason for it is this year we'd probably crack. Yes, I agree with you. I agree. Remember, the market's also going to test the Fed as well. Do you know any Teddy Swims? No, I don't, Dale. Never heard of it. Never heard of it. I could learn it for you, but there's a bit of a list at the moment. Cyber Inf. Dan Ackerman. I have it on 212. Yes, I have to be able to share it on Robinhood though, so I can share everything with you. But anyway, can you do $10 on play? Can you do $10 on Playboy? Yes, I can review Playboy. I've done it before. Yes, I've done Playboy. I've got all the scenes ready to go. Look, I reviewed Playboy before. This was our. Oh, it's not showing. Oh, it's not showing. Hang on. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Look, here's our Playboy scenes. We did it before. It was ages ago. All right. Oh, there's what? Oh, they're slow. They've not loaded for ages. There's another one. Yep, we did Playboy. This is our Playboy analysis. I bet you didn't expect that in the morning, did you? There you go. Yep, we had all our Playboy images. That was a great review. That was so funny. It's quite a good business, actually. I wouldn't invest in it, but yeah, it's quite a good business. Princess Cruises. Princess Cruises. Which one was it? Where was it? Where did you go to? Human Being Liz. Martin would love to know what you think of SSE. PMO. I've never looked at it. I've never looked at it. I don't know. Let's have a quick look. How long we got before the bell goes? 5 minutes. SPMO. Invesco S&P. Oh, I think we did a review on this one. Invesco S&P 500 Momentum. I think we did a review on this before. I prefer the market cap S&P. That's the pure play of the S&P 500. Yeah, I haven't got much to say on it, really. I've not done a review for a while, so I haven't got any more to say on it right now. If you want a full review, we can certainly do that. Liz, Potato Family, with images. Yeah, with images. Yeah. Do it again. Sexy sells. It didn't really. The video didn't do that well. I was expecting images of Martyn. Yeah, right. Yeah. 4K minimum. 4K. Yeah. Yeah. 4K minimum. Is great. Minimum, sorry. Ding, ding. We got 3 minutes to go. Let's get ready. My portfolio is going up again. That'll annoy the trolls, won't it? That'll annoy the trolls. Because you know what I'm going to say in a minute. He's beating the market again. Am I beating the market? Let's have a look. Not quite. No, I'm not quite beating the market yet. But the trolls hate it. I get messages going, you're always saying you're beating the market. And I just reply back, well, I am. I mean, what? Why don't you just do the work, mate? Why are you spending all this time just keep bothering what I'm doing? I mean, why do you even care? I never watch your channel. I never engage with anyone's channel. I ain't got time, right? Oh, we could all go and do anything, is it? Right. Okay, let's get ready to ring the bell. Are you ready? It's going to be an exciting one this morning. The bell is ready. Yep, 3 minutes to go. You ready? Now we're going to see what the market does. Oh, yes. Crypto going down. The S&P's trimming and Coca-Cola. Boom, 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 boom. What did Martyn say? That can't be true. He can't be winning again. I don't believe it. It's not real. That's not real on the screen. It's not real. He can't keep winning. I don't believe it. Well, you can believe what you bloody want, mate. But it is what it is. Whether you say it is or not, it doesn't matter. Right, are you ready? Let's get ready to rock and roll. And then I will onboard anyone that wants to join me on Discord. So straight after this, we're going to do a Discord event, showing my trades, showing my positions. I'm going to allow 2 people today to join Discord. Just 2, because we are always fully booked now. If you want Discord, there is the Discord link. All right, if you click on that link, I'll process your application live on the show. Once the bell's gone, you can get in. You can join us for the stage event this morning. It's a pro event, and we'll take care of all that in a minute. Have I got 1 minute to go? Nobody did it right. I've got someone wants to join now, so let me let them in quickly. Somebody's going. They want to be in before the stage event. Here we go. I've got 1 minute. Copy, paste, click approve, approve. Tomek, I've got 45 seconds. Tomek.
Hi,
Tomek, I've just approved your application.
Crypto is
you now have an
momentum.
hour. That's
Could you
a small
do an
window
analysis
as we have
on
a
it?
limited supply getting into our server, only allowing 2 today. If we don't hear back from you, I will assume that you don't wish to go ahead. If you do go pro, there's no price increase ever, no inflation ever. You can send me a friend request, direct message me, and I share all my trades with you 24/7, plus the whole server is open to you. If I don't hear back from you shortly, we'll assume you don't want to go ahead and it'll be cancelled out. I've got to go. It's time to ring the bell. Good luck to you. Okay, that's done. Here we go. We got 5 seconds to go. Ring the bell. Oh my God, Martyn, you shouldn't be answering people in the chat. Here we go.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly
Let's go,
perfect
go, 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 go.
One day,
Up she
a young
goes.
man
Wait.
This is
Wait.
Phoenix.
I'm now beating the market again. Right, here we go.
You've been knocked down and got up again.
Always get up again.
Corner, you're surrounded.
Should we have some smoke? Should we have some smoke? Let's put some smoke out.
You've hit your
again. Bam, 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 the Phoenix. Yep, right on the bottom. Virgin Galactic going down. Palantir down. Gold going up. Amazon going down. My portfolio going up. We're beating the market again. Here we go. Amazon, down she goes. Apple going up. Enphase Energy, my top pick. I told you. What did I say? Write it in the chat. What did I say? What is Enphase Energy going to? What in the chat did I say Enphase Energy is going to? What did I say? Write it in the chat. Boom, 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 boom. Beating the market again. Come on, it's funny, isn't it? Right, Coca-Cola, smash! Here we go! Let's rock and roll. Johnson & Johnson, defensive, going up. Chevron Oil, down. Tesla, up. McDonald's, defensive, up. Google, tech, down. Microsoft, down. Meta, down. Nvidia, we took our profit. It's going to 250. What did I say? 250, that's right. The ashes. Vertical Aerospace 2.61. Joby Aviation flat. Archer Aviation flat. Bitcoin kind of flat really. And XRP down. Boom, boom, boom. Beating the market again. Oh, come on, it's funny, isn't it? Don't you just love it? Don't you just love it? Stuffing it to the trolls. Don't you just love it? Do, 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 shooby dooby doo, shooby dooby dooby doo, do, dooby dooby doo, do.
Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn, a thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn, a thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes.
Let's make some money, folks. Smash the like button. Oh, what a day. Who's excited? Let's turn the spotlight on a minute. It's exciting, isn't it? What an exciting day. Exactly as we predicted. What an awesome day. I came late. What is happening? Jacob, you've missed hell of a party this morning, mate. You want to rewind it? We had the trolls coming in, trying to sort of say all sorts of rubbish. One guy comes in and he said, you did say this. And everybody went, no, he didn't. And I said CNBC this morning said the market will pump on this. I said, no, it won't. They went, yes, it did. And I said, no, it won't. And it didn't. I said, Coca-Cola's going up. And it did. It's been hilarious. It's been absolutely hilarious this morning. And all the trolls have gone. Have you noticed how quiet they've gone? You know all those trolls sitting there right now when you kept saying everything I said was wrong? Where are you now? Where are you now? Come back.
Bruce Monkey has become a member.
We got a new member. Hey, we got a new member. I never saw it come up. Right, let's get into it. We're having some fun now because tonight, it's Friday night, right? It's music night. We're having a party tonight. I've been pumping the smoke out. I wanted to just have a bit of a party. So I thought I'd pump all the smoke out. So we're still going up. Let's look at it. So crypto is going down. We're not going to get a rate cut. Can I make this really clear for those idiots that are watching? We're not getting a rate cut. Okay, it's not going to help your crypto right now, but I'm still in. and I'm going to be selling soon, and I'm going to be making profit soon. I'm up on all of it, and all my Discordians and all my Electrum members will know exactly what price I'm going to sell it. You won't see it on social media. I'm not going to try and get some clicks. I'm just going to do it, and my Electrum members and my Discordians will know when I do it. All right? That's that. That is what it is. Now, CNBC and Bloomberg this morning said the markets are pumping on this news. I said, no, they're not. They're up a bit. They sold off. They're all over the place. The place to go is defensive. And there it is. It up to now $79. So my portfolio is now at, it's now at year to date. Let's go and look at it. Are we beating the market again? We got enough smoke now. That'll do. That'll do. What I tried to, it all came too late. Stop the smoke. The old place has gone mental. Hang on a minute. Shall we do it again? There we go. Shall we do it again? Let's do it again.
The year is 1991.
Too much smoke. I've set fire to the house.
In seemingly perfect harmony, until one day a young man catches fire.
Oh my God.
It's Phoenix.
Everybody put in the chat. Come on, let's have a laugh. Gone mental today. All right, that'll do. That'll do. I just wanted to get the smoke out, and I got it out. It took me too long. It took too long to warm it up, but we'll have some fun tonight on the music show, all right? Anyway, so we'll have a party tonight. I'll be DJing. I might DJ for a change. Rather than singing and playing the piano, I'll DJ. What about that? Let's see if that gets people in. Right, okay. So let's get back to business. All right? Martyn is so funny. I'm loving it. Hey, we're just having a laugh, Eric. That's all we're doing. Right, okay. I've got my new red button. Can't wait to use it. Can't wait to use it. Look at that bad boy, right? I'm setting this up later. Look at that. This is a troll button. Basically, whenever I press this button, right, the idiots that come into the show, they basically get ejected automatically. Not just from the channel, but they literally get shot up the arse. They're sat, because most of them are sat on the toilet at the time, right? And they just get kicked off the toilet, literally in their houses. It's amazing. It's a button you buy on Amazon. It's called the kick off the toilet troll button. Go and search it. Kick off the troll off the toilet button. I nearly forgot what it was called then. Yeah, that's what it's called. So when I press it, the trolls get kicked out and then they get kicked off the toilet as well. It's quite funny. Can't wait. It's not plugged in yet. It gets plugged in later. This weekend I'll plug it in. So I'm looking forward to that. Right, okay. So this is really great. We order our music. Troll button activated. Yeah, it's ready to go. Music, start early today. Press the big red button. Yes. So listen, folks, let's get ready. I forget what I was going to do. Oh yeah, that's right. I was going to process anybody now that wants to be on Discord, because in a minute, we're going to do our Discord event, our pro event, and it's a live event where you all call in and take part in it. Answer. Oh, I got members as well today. I got more reviews to do today. I got Resolve to do. Another one. Who wants to go to a members only event right now and do spin the wheel before we do Discord? Who wants, in the chat, shall we do spin the wheel, give you free stock analysis right now, members only? Who wants it? Say in the chat whether you want it. We'll play spin the wheel. We'll do free stock analysis, and you can, there's spin the wheel. There it is. We'll play spin the wheel, and we'll do it for members only, and we'll do some stock analysis for free. How about that? All right, you don't have to pay me. I'll do it for free. Who wants spin the wheel? And let me know in the chat whether you do. Okay, anybody up for that? If not, I'll just go and have a cup of tea and some toast. I ain't bothered. Right, Liz, what's one mean? What does one? You can't just pick number one. What are you on about? Number one, what does that mean? Spin the flipping wheel. We got one person saying it. I don't know yet. I'm not sure you want it yet. Right. Let's focus. I can't remember what we were going to do. Oh, yeah. So here it is. Really exciting. On the Discord server, we got a new service coming out. We've been testing it all week. It works. We're about to turn it on. We're about to launch it. Here's what's really cool. So we now have our own Luca coin, as you know, inside Discord. You all play, you all win coins. It's a lot of fun. You play rock, paper, scissors. You play roulette. You play roll the dice. You play all sorts of stuff, and you win Luca coins. And I've been telling you for a while that soon you'll be able to spend it, redeem it for perks, benefits, prizes, all sorts of stuff. Well, it's about to happen. We have a shop opening up on Discord, okay, where it will give you extra perks and benefits, and you can buy things with your Luca coin. All right. And we're going to have all sorts of stuff that you can buy. Now, I'm also talking to sponsors. I want to get holidays and all sorts of stuff. All right. You can exchange. It's like air miles. It's like air miles, catching points. You get them for free. We give the coins to you for free so that you don't pay for them. And then you can cash them in for prizes. I mean, it's pretty good, isn't it? I mean, where else are you going to get that? Who's going to give you free coins to claim free prizes? I mean, it's not bad, is it? I think it's brilliant. Who thinks it's brilliant? I think it's brilliant. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a shop open up. It's all set. We've been testing it all week. I can see it. You can't see it because we're testing it. And it all works. And you can go in to it and you can spend it and you can buy stuff. You can buy stock analysis. You can buy stock reviews. You can get merchandise. You get all sorts. And as I get sponsors, and I don't want sponsors to pay me money, it's not what I want. Oh, I'm going to sell you the best crypto coin and all this stuff. I'm going to get people to give me stuff, which I give to you, and you can get for the Luca coins. Brilliant, isn't it? So you can literally win things for free with the free coins that we gave you for free. I mean, that's not bad, is it? I mean, that's not bad. So we might have I might have a sponsor give me a holiday, say, for example. And, X amount of coins, you can win the holiday. First person to get it buys it. Easy, isn't it? Isn't that brilliant? So it's not like a luck thing. It's just, we're giving you the money to buy it. I mean, it's brilliant, isn't it? Anyway, who thought of that idea? I think it was me. Anyway, there you go. Pretty good. So in a minute, we're going to go over the Discord and we're going to do our on-stage event. But before we go there, we're going to go to a members-only event. I'm going to do it in a minute. Members only, and we're going to play Spin the Wheel. Spin the wheel, and we're going to do some free stock analysis. So as everyone tap the like button, to get all of this good stuff, you've got to tap the like button. Have you done it? Okay, I'll assume you've done it. Have you all subscribed? Got to be a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, you get nothing. Lazy people get nothing. Done it? Okay, brilliant. Okay, now I'm going to see. I'm going to bit of a risk, but I'm going to go and see. Did we get any subscribers this morning? Let's have a look. Because we had a lot of trolls coming in, unsubscribing and all that kind of stuff. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Yay! It's 113,362. That was a good morning. I'm happy with that. Okay, good. That was a good morning. So, if you want to join Discord and you want to be in all of this, we're telling you about it now. We're about to launch it. I promise you a little gift. The membership will never go up in price, ever. No inflation, ever. No increase whatsoever. And we'll add more and more perks, more benefits, and more services all the time. That's my promise to you. Okay? Okay. And we are already less expensive than anyone else. I did my research, found out that channels that do what I do don't even exist, first of all. No one has one-on-one support 24/7 like I do. No one does that. No one does it. Some people do it with bots, AI, and they charge $1,000 for price predictions, their trades, training courses, yada, yada, and it's not even them doing it. I charge $2.99. Now, why so cheap? Why is it so inexpensive? Because I literally don't want to make money out of it. Well, that's mental. Why don't I just charge $1,000? I charge because $2.99 because I make money from investing. And I think I've always believed that people find you more valuable and more credible if you don't have to sell the dream, you deliver the dream. That's why Google's free. You can use Google for free. You can ads and you can buy different products, but you can use Google for free, right? Same thing here. Now we have to charge you something because if we didn't, it'd be full of bots, trolls, scammers, idiots, and all. So we got to put a paywall up somewhere. And time you take out the commission to Google, to Discord and the taxes, I'm barely lucky if I make $1 per person a month. So it's not really about the money, is it? But the point is, I want to help as many people as possible. All right. I enjoy doing it. It's a best job in the world. So if you want to join Discord, there's the link. I'm going to onboard people right now, if anyone does it. Now, if you also want to become a YouTube member for all the members-only videos, now is the best time because we're now going to go into a members-only video in a minute. We're going to do some free stock analysis. These are perks and benefits that you get as a member. If you're an Electrum member, you get all of my trades 24/7. No price increase, minimum price anyway, no inflation. But we've got CEO interviews next week and the week after. We've been talking to CEOs and we bring them on the show. And when we do, they're all members only. Members only. So you get to talk directly with the CEO live on the show. Pretty cool, right? No one does that. We do that for our members, plus many other perks. You can call in on the show. We can 1,000 other things, all right? Earnings calls, reviews, blah, blah, blah. So anyway, there you go. So first thing I'm going to do is go to Discord and see if we've got anyone that needs onboarding. Yes. We've got one person here. So let me just onboard this person here. I'm doing 2 today. That's it. There's a couple I've got to block because they're not real. There's that. Jay. Let me just do this one. Hi there, Jay. I've just processed your application for Discord. You now have about an hour as we have only 2 spots available today. We're opening it up a little bit. And also protects you and the server.
I can't believe
to join the server.
this.
If you choose Pro, there's no price increase ever, no inflation ever. You can send me a friend request and I'll accept it. You have direct access with me. It's the only way you can message me. You can't email me, text me, WhatsApp me. This is the only way in the world. I will share all my trades, 2-stage events every day, and all
I can't
all the
believe
server.
this.
I look forward to welcoming you as a member. If you don't respond to this, we'll assume you don't wish to go ahead and it will be cancelled later on this morning. Thank you. Okay, that's another one taken care of. I do have a couple of friend requests, but I only accept friend requests from those of you that are members.
I can't believe this.
Pro members. Oh, we're getting some members coming in. Hello. Oh, we got a gifted membership. 1970 Buckley. I'll come back to that in a second. Wow, 1970 Buckley just gifted some memberships. Let me explain what you've just won and what that is.
I can't believe this.
I'm just onboarding our members. Here we go. Our friend from Croatia, ZG Sleeper. Remember yesterday, our friend from Croatia joined as a pro member. He sent me a friend request, which of course I can accept because he's a pro member. Okay, there's that one. Right, Will's just applied. Let me have a little look. I've been following Martyn on YouTube for a while now and was waiting until I was ready. Start making investments and work on create. That's a nice message. Thank you very much indeed. I always like when people take the time to do it properly. So let me take care of you. So what I'm doing now, I can't show on the screen what I'm doing because I don't want to give away people's ID, of course. So I'm going to process. Some of these are going to go into a queue for tomorrow, but I want to process some people here that have requested to be on the server. So I can't let you in today, I'm afraid, because we've got all our places are gone, but I can process you tomorrow. Okay, I've done that one. Okay. I'm going to come back to what the membership was all about, donated by 1970 Buckley. Going to come back to that in a second. So stand by for that, and I'll explain what you've just got. You've just been given a gift, and I'll explain what you've just been given. Just taking care of Will. No one gets left behind. Everyone gets answered, even if it does take me a few minutes. Okay. Upload. All right. I've sent you your video, your interview, so you have to answer the questions. I'm just sending you, Will, the questions now. Can no one else apply for Discord right now? Because we're fully allocated today. There will be no more onboarding today. We are fully done. Ah, Will just commented to me. Will's in the chat. Thank you, Will. He's obviously watching YouTube at the same time. That's very nice. I appreciate that. Right, I think we're done. That's it. Someone's created a ticket. Where do I pay for my subscription? Okay. Have you got any roles? $570. We've got someone just created a ticket. Let me just take care of that. I think we've got somebody messing around, I think, but that's okay. Just take care of this. I'll come right back to you in a second and explain what the memberships is. Just trying to help people. Add William into this one. William is our admin. Okay, I've taken care of that. Right, applications are now closed. There is no more onboarding today. I've done everything I can because we got lots more to do. Oh, that's a long time ago. Okay, dealt with that. Right, let me come back to memberships now. So, let me come back to comments and questions. Oh, let's just read this out first. Discord's now done. No more applications today, please.
Chico Villeco tipped MX $200 through Super Chat. Can you do an analysis on Ondo Crypto? ITS gone up almost 80% in 15 days. Cheers from Myla Holbush.
Jacko, one of the stipulations on the show is I don't do crypto analysis. Sensei does. So I'll pass that on to Sensei. When he's back, please mention that you've super chatted and he will do it for you. Okay, so ask Sensei to do that. He might even do it on an on-stage event for you. All right, he's doing an on-stage event, I think, this week or next week. Look in Discord. Are you on Discord? And mention that you gave me a super chat, and he'll do it for you. Either in YouTube next week. He's back next week, I think. Also in Discord in the on-stage events if you are a member. All members access Sensei's stage events. So, all right. Now then, if you just won a membership today, it was donated by 1970 Buckley. right? One of our members. She paid with her own hard-earned money to give you membership, okay? Now then, you could do nothing and just take it and say nothing, or you could say thank you, which is always nice. But what you can do is this. You go on the homepage of the channel and you can take advantage of it because you've been given it, right? It's a gift, all right? So I'm going to go on the homepage of the channel now and show you what it looks like. So you are here right now looking at the channel, all right? This is what you are right now. Here's the job reports. If you go over here, you see membership, okay? You've just been given a membership. Now, I'm a bronze member, all right, of myself. All right, bit weird, isn't it? But over here on the right-hand side, scroll across, upgrade. Click upgrade, okay, because you've been given this. If you do absolutely nothing, it'll just go away. First of all, as a member, you're going to get all the members-only videos, members-only live streams, all the CEO interviews next week. You can request earnings reports. You can request stock reviews, loads of benefits. You can be in the chat when it's members only. We're going to be members only in a minute, and we're going to play spin the wheel, all of these things. But if you do nothing, it will just disappear after a while and fade away. If you go and renew it for a bronze or silver, electrum, gold, whatever you like, I recommend electrum if you want to see all my trades 24/7. Gold if you want to talk to me directly. If you want a one-on-one 1 hour a month call with me, you can. That's gold. But electrum is our most popular because it gives you all bronze and silver plus all of my trades 24/7. No price increase ever, no inflation ever. Make sure you do it on a browser. That way you don't pay Apple's commission because Apple make money out of this. No, you want to know why Apple's a good investment? Why they're always making money? They make commission on everything. Just do it through a browser. You'll save some money. So the price is the price you pay on the screen, not the little tax that Apple charge you. So there you go. If you don't do that, it'll just expire and you will miss out on all the benefits that was just given to you by one of our top supporters, 1970 Buckley. So, as you can see, Coca-Cola now is starting to take off. I can see it going all the way to 90 bucks. I can't say it's going to do it today or tomorrow, whatever, but I know it's going to do it. We want to go more defensive. What we learned today, on top of everything else, from the McDonald's earnings, is that inflation is coming up and recession is coming. You want to be defensive. It's as simple as that. Let me read some comments and then we're going to go members only. We getting Brad. Brad Garlinghouse. No, we've got no Brad Garlinghouse on the show yet. We are in contact. We plan on doing that in the future, but no, we do not have any date for Brad Garlinghouse to be on this show yet. No, I wish we did. Way to go. Where is the link for Discord? There is no applications today. It's below every single video, but there it is in the chat. You can apply, but I'll process it tomorrow now because we are fully booked. There's people queuing up. We only allow a couple of places a day because it's a very personal, real service, and we don't let thousands of people in. It's not about how much money I can make and how many I can sell. It's about giving. Oh, wow. 5 memberships. William Myers has just donated 5. If you've tapped the like button, folks, if you've tapped the like button, you are a subscriber, you can now win. We're giving away another 5 memberships. That's amazing. 5 more memberships.
I can't believe
There we
this.
go. S930. You just won a membership. Way to go. Buying a bread maker soon. Yes, this weekend. Yes, Lady Buckley in the say thank you for her generosity. Yeah, incredible. Please do thank her. So generous. It's not cheap, is it? Buying 5 people memberships. What's the largest crowd you ever played?
I can't believe this.
My largest ever crowd was 2,500 people at the Mayflower and the same at the Blackpool Grand. Mayflower Theatres in Southampton and the Blackpool Grand is, guess where? Blackpool. But that's my biggest ever crowd. Thank you. Yeah. Coventry, I did 2 nights. The Coventry Civic Theatre, played there for 2 nights.
I can't believe
that was about 3,000 because I did 1,500 each night. But yeah, there you go. Welcome new members. Let us know. Another one. Morris, you just won a membership. Get your whiskey bottle ready. Ooh. For tonight, yeah, I fancy a whiskey. Hey everyone, what's the name of the US Treasury bond that pays 3.55 SGOV, SGOV?
I can't believe this.
Murderous Monkey. Murderous Monkey is my gaming name. Are you a gamer? Rose Mencia is my legal. I just realized I was on the wrong account. Murderous Monkey, how you doing? How you doing? Lovely to have you here. You're a gamer. I'm rubbish at games, I gotta be honest. How do I become a Lucozade Pro, please?
I can't believe this.
Okay, so you go on the Discord and open a ticket if you're unsure. Open a ticket, or you just click on any of the channels that you can't see. You can click on them. You just can't see them, and it opens them up. Or if you're not sure, if you're on Discord, create a ticket, and there's another new member, Nigel Webb. There's a create a ticket, and we'll help you.
6,863 has become a member.
Oh, we got a Nigel. He just booked. He just upgraded to become an actual member, a paid member. There you go. Look at that. So, yes, I answered the question about the crypto. Please, Jacko, make sure you ask Sensei. Welcome new members. You won't regret it. That's very kind. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, Jacko, that will happen. Will you be buying back into NVIDIA or Google if it goes low enough? Now, once we get the rotation, so in other words, once Coca-Cola starts going 82, 83, I'll start trimming. Then what I'll do is I'll move into treasury bills and I'll earn 3.5%. Remember the aim. Oh, another new member. This has gone mad today. Absolutely mad today. And then what will happen is we will go into treasury bills. We will, as it rotates, Coca-Cola defensive will go up. The recession will start to go, will drive everything down, and I'll be buying back the S&P. And another new member, Patrick Black. This is incredible. Then I'll be buying back the VUG S&P 500, and if we get NVIDIA back below 200, if we get Google back around the 325, yes, I will be buying back. Absolutely right. Yes.
I can't believe this.
New members coming out of the wazoo tonight. This is brilliant. I love it. And we're going to go members only in a second. Come on, Patrick Black, Jacko. This Way Gaming, gifted 5-way memberships. This Way Def Gaming, incredible. A lot of gamers here. Wow, how nice. Isn't it? Isn't it nice? Can't believe it.
I can't believe this.
Another new member. It's gone mental today. It's gone mental. Amana Studio. Happy Friday, people. It's Kazansky. Kazansky's back. How are you, mate? Did you ever get on Discord? It never worked out for you, did it? We were trying to get you on Discord. Did you ever join? You've missed all the stage events with Sensei. Oh, my gosh. All the good feelings, mate. We're having such good fun on there.
I can't believe this.
Love to have you back. It's only a couple of bucks. Yes, love it. Nice to be here. I'm learning. Love a challenge. Murderous Monkey. I love it. Hi there. Hi, Martyn. Can you check if I'm on Discord? If yes, please say hello. What do you mean? Can I check you're on Discord? I don't know what your Discord name is. How do I know what your name is on Discord?
I can't believe this.
And you know you're on Discord.
_Soleil has become a member.
Another new member. This has gone mental. What is going on here? I love it. So everyone who joins today, no price increase, no inflation ever, and I mean ever. And in a minute, we'll play Spin the Wheel, free stock analysis, right? Hi, Martyn, can you check? If you give me your Discord username in the chat, if you want to, I will go and search for you. But it's best if you just message me. I don't know what your name is. I don't know. I've got no way of knowing. But you know you're on Discord because you can see everything. And if you tag me, I'll respond to you. All right? This Way Gaming. Oh my God. Thank you, Patrick Black. Yes, you've won a membership. Go and upgrade it this time. Get your Electrum membership. Don't let it waste this time. SGov not available. Right. SGov is not available in the UK. So you contact your broker. There'll be other treasury bills. In fact, there are some treasury bills in the UK because interest rates have already gone up. There are some higher rates treasury bills in the UK. Just go to your broker and ask for treasury bills and you'll find some in the UK. You don't have to have SGov. All right, doesn't matter. Any thoughts on PayPal, AMD, and XRP? XRP, yes, I like it, but we're not going to suddenly rally to $1 million like everyone says. I'm happy with $3 to $5, but it might not be this year now because of there's no rate cuts coming. All right, AMD, I like. PayPal, I wouldn't buy that. I prefer other fintechs like Robinhood or SoFi, but prefer Robin Hood at the right price. Can you make me a member, please? No, we can't. It's about if you're a subscriber and you're liking and you're engaging. You can always become a member. It's only a couple of bucks. It literally never goes up in price. If you want to become a member, you can right now. You can try and win one, but it goes to those who are engaging. Those that have watched the show before, commented, liked, subscribed. You can't just come in and say, give me a membership. It doesn't work like that. Everyone is joining because of the Playboy ad. Is that what it is? Oh my God, what's going on? Nice. This Way Gaming, thank you. Someone was using my telephone number on Discord, hence I could not verify. Oh, that is awful, isn't it? Also, my son had used my email. Nightmare. Isn't it a nightmare? I'm so sorry for that. You know, you just create a new email
Aaron Cordell,
on Google or Apple.
Tipped $10 through Super Chat. Martyn, can you please look at Mosaic ticker Moss?
Aaron, let me come down to you. I'll get to you in a second. Okay, Hood is good. Yes. Aaron, so first of all, to request a review, you've got to be a member. Tick, you are a member. You've asked me to look at ticker MOS. Okay. MOS. Let's have a look. MOS. All right. Mosaic Co. There it is. Would you like to book in a stock review on it? Would you like me to do that for you? Just say in the chat. Would you like the 10 facts and a nice review on it? Would you like that? If you would, let me know, and I'm happy to do it for you. Let me write that down. No more requests, please, on analysis, 10 facts or anything like that at $10. I'm fully committed. If you want one now, it's $20. Then I have too many to do. So if you want one now, it's $20. Okay, and we put the top ones to the list, but there are no $10 ones available now because I'm fully booked. So yes, if you just come back to me, Aaron, tell me if you want that and I'll happily do it. Yes, please, and thank you. You're welcome. All right. I've written it down for you. No more, please. $10 super chats for full 10 facts analysis. Hi, how high can AMD do from here? It's already up a lot. I haven't done a review on it for a while, so I honestly don't know the answer to that, Suleiman. Vaccine stocks are pumping today. Yes. Thank you for sharing. All logic. My friend is trying to sign up LikeServe. He's trying to sign up, so I'm helping him get it done. My friend is trying to sign up LikeServe. Is that his username, is it? You want me to go and search that? But if he's trying to sign up, he won't be in there, will he? Do you want me to go and search it? LikeY. Oh, LikeServe. Oh, yeah. LikeServe. I see it. He's just been accepted, hasn't he? Yeah, I see him. LikeServe. Hello, LikeServe. Yeah, we just LikeServe on Discord. When was that? Scroll down, scrolling. LikeServe. There we go. When was this? Oh, yes. I was talking to this person last night. They went out to dinner and they said they would do it later. Yes. Yes, I said you can have more time because they were going for dinner and I said, yeah, that's fine. And if people talk to me and they're real people, I'll help them. But sometimes you get people trying to scam me and it's like I haven't got time for that. But yeah, LikeServe is a real person. Yeah. And thank you all Logic for helping as well. Hey, Martyn, what's the difference between VU and VUG? Okay, so VU is the Virgin Galactic up 5.5%. Just thought I'd let you know. So VU is the S&P 500 by market cap. That is the pure form of the S&P 500. VUG is a growth index of the S&P. It focuses on the high growth elements of the S&P. So it's very concentrated in Google, Nvidia. I mean, Google and Nvidia makes up like 22% of it. All right. So it's very focused on tech. I like it when I'm bullish on tech going up, but when it's got too expensive, recession's coming, then I've got to trim it off. That's what VUG is. This channel is growing on me. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Gary Dippy. VIX to 20 plus. Thank you, James. I had deleted the account tied to my son, so should be okay soon. Takes 14 days. Oh my gosh. Isn't it a nightmare? But it's all for security, really. Otherwise, it benefits you in the end, because if you could verify with somebody else's phone number, can you imagine the drama? Yes, please, and thank you, Aaron. It's booked in. It's booked in. I missed spin the wheel. We haven't done it yet. Doing it in a minute. Doing it in a minute. Learning so much. You're welcome. Excellent, Kazansky. Oh, where are you? Where are you? The fella using my number is Nan called me hilarious. I told her to tell him to correct it. God. Hi, Liz. Absolute nightmare. We'll sort it soon. I can imagine. I've been through these things. We've all been through these things. For the music night, what's the difference on you singing or DJ? I was only joking. What do you mean, what's the difference? What's the difference between me singing and DJing? Well, one, I don't do anything. I just play somebody else's music, and the other one, I actually sing and play the piano. So there's quite a difference. At least I hope you think so. Otherwise, I'm in trouble. Anyway, thanks, Martin. You're welcome. Oh, I hope you make it, Kazansky. We build spaceships. I love it. Consider sentiment came in less than estimated. Umich, effect on the market. UMICH. Let me a quick look. UMICH. UMICH. That doesn't show up for me. UMICH. Oh, UMIC. Do you mean UMICY? Umicore? I don't know. I don't know anything about it. I've got to be honest. I've never heard of it. Sorry about that. 1970 Buckley. I don't know. As DJ, we hear different songs together. Well, yeah, but I mean, I can't just play records, can I?
Wade 3th Gaming tip $2 through Super Chat.
Shall I do it one night?
Can you look at DFTX for a friend?
I can have a look at it very quickly for you. I've got to move on. We've got members only event now. All right. DFTX. Okay. Just a quick look on the screen. Quick look on the screen for you. I'll do it over here. It's easier. DFTX. Let's have a look. All right. Oh, university. Oh, whoa. Yes. That's all political, isn't it? 1970. I'll come back to that. Yes. Can I look at, yeah, there you go. Wow. That's an interesting thing. Therapeutics. Yeah, I've shown it on the screen. That's all I can do for a couple of bucks. But I don't know anything about that stock. I never heard of it. I've never reviewed it. But very, 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 very risky when you are buying therapeutic stocks, because it's all or nothing. If one thing goes wrong, a trial goes wrong. Very, very scary stuff. I'm going to look at this. What's oh, Will's trying to get on Discord. Shall we let Will in? I'm going to look at the sentiment, the Michigan sentiment. Shall we look at this? Shall we let Will in? Remember earlier I was talking to Will? we have, you know, it'll be my last spot. I haven't got any more spots then. I can't let anybody else in. Shall I let him in? Okay. Okay, let me send Will a message. Hi, Will. We've made an exception, mate, just because I was talking to you earlier live on the show. I've processed your application. You now have an hour to choose your membership. If you go pro, there's no inflation ever. There's no price increase ever. You can friend request me, send me a direct messages. All my trades 24/7. If we don't hear from, and it opens the whole server up to you. If we haven't heard from you shortly, we'll assume you don't wish to go ahead, and it will be cancelled out. That's to protect you and the server. And we are over allocated today. I gave you an extra spot today I didn't have. So there we go. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you, Quinn, for your support. We're watching the account, and that's very kind of you to help. Thank you. Right. I'm trying to do everything. It's difficult. It's coming from everywhere. So, yeah, the Michigan report. Back to that. So, the Michigan report, consumer sentiment. Now, this is important, but remember, it's very, very political. Okay, so the Michigan report, the consensus was 49.5. I'll explain what that means in a minute. And it's now 48.2. Forecast was 50. What does it mean? So the Michigan Sentiment Report, the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index dropped to a record low of 48.2 in early May 2026. Missing market expectations of 49.5 and falling below April's 49.8. The current conditions component declined about 9% to 47.8, driven by growing concerns over higher prices affecting personal finances and buying conditions for major purchases. So basically what this is saying, all right, the Michigan report, which is political, they all hate Trump. So, and I'm not political, I'm just giving you the facts so you know what it is. They're always going to be negative. That's just the way this whole system works. It's mental. But however, this is what I'm saying. More people think inflation is going up. It's not coming down. No one sees inflation coming down. No one sees the war ending. No one sees gas prices going down. It's as bloody clear as day to me. That's why my Coca-Cola is going up, and that's why I'm defensive. I'm not waiting for the crash to come. I'm already there. Remember what I try to do. I always focus on catching the bottom, not the top. All right. I want to thank 1970 for bringing that to my attention, because I would have missed that. And yes, thank you, 1970. You're absolutely right. That's really important, and I've just addressed it. So there you go. Came in less than estimated. Effect on the market. Yeah, right. Well, it's exactly what I'm saying. We are going to recession. I don't know how many times I got to bloody say it. I mean, we can't avoid it. You can't avoid it. I mean, I don't mind, actually. Once we get to 83, 84 on Coca-Cola, I don't mind sitting all in treasury bills, the whole bloody lot. Guaranteed earn 3.5, because I've already outperformed the market by 3.5, 4 times this year. Why do I want to give all that back when the markets go down where I think they're going to go? What's the point? I might as well earn another 3.5% on all that money and sit it out and wait for it to go down. Now, I believe in always being in the market, and I've been in it consistently for like 4.5 years, 5 years. All I'm saying is put my money in treasury bills. I mean, if you don't want to be proactive and you just want to be passive and just buy the dips, then stay in the market. It's okay. But right now, I'm so convinced that we're going to have a massive retracement. It seems ridiculous when I believe that to stay in the market. I mean, I'm in the market now, but I'm about to take some profit. And there it is. Anyway, thank you, 1970. Gary Dippy, Martyn uses Gary Dippy, Martin uses Robinhood. Yes, I do. If you want some free shares from Robinhood, by the way, Robinhood USA, free shares. Robinhood UK, free shares. But I'm not sponsored by Robinhood, but I have an account on Robinhood UK because I'm a British citizen as well as the US green card. So I've got two accounts. Click on that link, you get free shares. You might as well.
At Stu 7588 tipped £5 through Super Chat. I got email on Robinhood about SPs that I can vote on new director and for an audit. What does this mean?
It means exactly what it says. You could have a vote, but your vote won't be worth a great deal because the directors who own millions of shares will have a much bigger say than you. But as a shareholder, when they give the shareholders a vote, you can vote. So yeah, you can vote. They're giving you the right to vote. Most retail investors don't because they don't know what to do with it and they don't know who they should vote for because they don't know. But if you want to do your research and you want to vote, you certainly can. Yeah, you can vote. You can have your say as a shareholder on the new director position. Yep, you can. That's what being a shareholder is. You're actually an owner of a business and you have a say. When they give you the right to have a say. All right. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Oracle. South Africa, lots of red tape here, yes. Let him in, all logic. Yeah, William, I just did. Let's see if he did it. William. Let's see if he did it. So, let me have a look. Okay, let's have a look. William has gone pro. William has gone pro. Created an account, added new, added that. Yes, yes, yes. William has gone pro. Has he sent me a friend request? Yes, he has. Accept. Right, Will. Yeah, let me respond to this guy here, William. Hi, William. You are now pro, so which means there's no price increase ever, no inflation ever. You sent me a friend request. I've accepted it, so thank you very much. You will now see all my trades 24/7. You can message me if you need to. 2-stage events every day, and the whole server is open up to you. You can also play in the gaming channel to win Luca coins, which you then can redeem in our shop, which opens next week. So you can actually buy things for free with the free money we gave you. That's not bad, is it? You can see Sensei stage events as well as you get the headlines from the newsletter. If you want the full newsletter as a pro member, you'll get the best price there is available. And you can view all the newsletter and the training course, which is given to you for free inside the Discord server. Thank you for being the best part of Discord. You are it, all of you. I learn more from you than you learn from me, and I mean that. Thank you so much. I'm here to help you 24/7, and welcome to the Discordians Pro. Thank you for your support. Now I've got to get to work and provide some value to you. Thank you. Right, that's Will's private message. Not very private though, is it? You just heard me do it. Leave the group, left the group. Will, done. Close that. Okay, back to here. Let him in. I did it. DFTX.
This.
Another new member. Wow.
At Scene Bent 3.
We're going to go members only when I can get through all the questions. Right. Late stage trials market. Thank you very much for that thought, Mark. Thank you. PayPal seemed undervalued. Yeah, I'm not a fan of PayPal. Microsoft, particularly with reference to how AI will affect the software sector. This Way Gaming. Thank you. I will. Just sent you a friend request. Murderous Monkey. Rosie46. Rosie46 on Discord. Let's have a look. Rosie46 on Discord. Rosie46. I don't see a Rosie46. Sorry. Murderous Monkey just sent you a friend request. Rosie46, you've not sent me a friend request. You're not even on Discord. It's the only, where did you send me a friend request? I'm only active on Discord. Yeah, I don't see Rosie. I don't see you there on Discord. So there is the link. I'll process it tomorrow, but yeah, I don't see that. McDonald's dropping. Well, what did they tell you? They told you recession's coming, the price of beef in September, October. So let's have a look at McDonald's. I'm not really surprised, really. Yeah, there you go. It's good earnings, but they told you what's coming next. Everyone knows it. I'd be buying McDonald's at $200, not here. Okay. That's why we covered the earnings call. Hi, Martin. Are you doing Discord stage event today? Yes, I am. I'm just trying to finish here. Today is my birthday. Hey, you know what that means? You know what that means? Tonight in the music show, we can celebrate your birthday. So let me do it. Let me celebrate your birthday. Here we go. Look, switch account. Martin Lucas Music. Create. Go live. Schedule a stream. Oops, that's wrong. Oops. Hello, broke it. Right, reuse settings. Yep. Scrolling. I turn all the ads off. There's no ads. There's no memberships. You watch it all for free. There, subscribers. Yes. Next, ads revenue, turn off. Yeah, there's no ad revenue at all on the music channel. Subscribers. Just bear with me. I'm setting up your birthday party. Literally, that's what I'm doing right now. Public. May the 8th, 4 p.m. I'll have a bit of Kid Rock tonight. I bet you any money you like. Only God knows why from RB. I bet you. Never misses. Right, there is the event. Okay, so I've created that. Let me give you the link to it. This is your birthday party. If you want to come tonight, we'll do a happy birthday for you. Don't forget, you can download the song, keep it forever, own the copyright, and you can request a birthday song as well. So back to there. Right, let me load it up. It should be there now. Whoops-a-daisy. Martin Lucas Music. Live. Upcoming. There it is. Ta-da! As if by magic. All right. So here is the music show tonight. For you. Live music party. And this can be your birthday. All right, mate? There is it in the chat. There you go. Okie doke. There it goes. That's for you for tonight. Pinned in the chat. Right. Let me go back. Where did I miss it? Yep. Spin the wheels coming up in a minute as well. I'm just trying to get to it. Happy birthday. Yep. Right. There's the event. I've just given you all the link. Here's the event. This is tonight at 4 p.m. Central Time. I've just given everybody the link. There it is. Live tonight, the piano party. We're going to celebrate your birthday. I've just given everyone the link. You can go there now and request songs and also go and say happy birthday to our friend here and get ready for it. Get ready for it. Yeah, people are already liking, leaving comments. Leave a comment there, booking your request. Right. Happy birthday from Potato. Anyone tried the AI comparison tool on Alpha Spread? Excellent. Alpha Spread. Yeah, everyone should get that. There's Alpha Spread and Seeking Alpha. I've got the. I know the CEO, and if you use my referral, you all get the best discount ever. All right, so it's really, really good. Basically, makes my membership needed for free. It's really, really good. Anyway, Sean, another new member. Sean Bent became a member. Make sure you take advantage of all the members-only perks and benefits. If you want to know what they are, just ask me. What do I buy? Everyone's getting rich. Yes, we are getting rich, but you can't buy anything now. Just treasury bills now. Yep, absolutely. My Coca-Cola is going through the roof. I'm not buying anything. This is my year-to-date. Stocks and shares, year-to-date, 25%. Nuts, isn't it? Nearly 4 times the market this year. And we should now be hitting a new all-time high. We started with $5,000. We're now at 720,000 again. There we go. New all-time high. Oh, 722. Oh, the hell. 722. 722 for $5,000. Bloody hell. Look at that. No options, no shorts, no guessing, no gambling. Bloody hell. Bloody hell, right, innit? So, Rosie, 4697. What do you mean, Rosie? Are you on Discord? I don't see you on Discord. I keep searching for you, but Rosie. There's no one called Rosie on Discord. Just searched again. Maybe you've applied to be on. Like he serves says I'm getting famous. He's got his mate trying to help him get on Discord, and his credit cards aren't working, and he's now getting infamous. He's going, I'm getting famous. You're now getting infamous, mate. Anyway, did I have an application? Murderous monkeys getting all frustrated, going, I've sent you a message, and I'm going, I don't see it. No, I've no idea. I don't see any Rosies even applying to be on Discord. So I don't know. Oops. I don't know what you're doing. I've got no bloody idea. Is the best stock, says Liz. Here he is. Discord shop is open. The Discord shop is open. Yes. Fantastic. The Discord shop is open, everybody. Breaking news, bang, 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 bang. Breaking news. We'll be talking about it on Discord today. The Discord shop is open. Right. Let me now make a video. There we make a video. So here we go. Make a video I'm going to put out later. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. So what we're going to do, I'm excited. I'm excited for it. What should I put? What should I share? What image should I share? This will just be the... Hang on, what should I put? Hang on. Oh, this is nice. Look at this.
A Descent Improvement Hub tip $10
yes,
through Super
a
Chat.
stage event today.
God bless you and the Lucasades. Thank you for all you do, Martin. Let's make some money. Rocket emoji.
Whoa, yeah. Gary, so frustrating, can't access Robin Hood from South Africa. I know, but there's probably something just as great. Happy birthday, Cameron. There you go. Happy birthday, Cameron. Whoops. Oops, Cameron. What did... Oh, yeah, Cameron. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's all good now. All good. Trump orders UFO files released. Oh, yeah, right. Happy Friday. Beef prices can't be controlled. We need more cows. Happy birthday, Cameron. I didn't realize you were on YouTube since it was not on... I didn't realize you were on YouTube since it was not on Discord. YouTube now. I don't get that. What do you mean? I didn't realize you were on YouTube. Since it was not on Discord, YouTube now. Oh, I see. Sorry, I missed it this morning. I know I let you down. I'm really sorry. I didn't put on YouTube now. Yeah, JD. I can't. You're right. See, people rely on that. Sorry, you're right. I didn't post it. Plume, wait, what's going on? What's going on? At what price did we buy we have to buy Soundhound? I'm looking at Soundhound, but it's nowhere near the price yet. Oh, 722, round about the $5. Is that right? Yeah. Thoughts on Rigetti and Tesla? Thank you. Well, RGTI is a private company, so we don't really focus on that. Prefer Soundhound. Tesla, is too expensive. 722. I can't believe it. It's nuts, isn't it? Bloody mental. My Discord is Rosie on Discord. Did send you a friend request. Rosie, you haven't sent me a phone. You can't send me a friend request until you join the server. You've probably sent a scammer who pretends to be Martyn Lucas, right? I'm the only at Martyn Lucas spelled correctly on Discord. Right, that's it. If you took it to another Martyn Lucas 123.761, it's not me. I am at Martyn Lucas, spelt correctly. MartynLucas. That's it. That's me. But you can't send me a friend request because you're not on Discord. You're not on my server, and I only have pro members can send me a friend request. You can't do it. All right. So you can say what you like, Rosie. You're not talking to me on Discord. It's not bloody possible. All right, so I'm going to search for you again just because you keep asking, and I don't want to make a mistake. Now then, no, I've got a Ross Atkin. That's not you, is it? You're Rosie. Yeah, no, you're not on Discord, and my admin is here as well to help you. So no, you're not on Discord. You're talking to a scammer. Don't do that. They'll try and steal all your money. Ascend, I cannot believe what a wonderful super chat that was. Can you believe it? I normally look at Discord channel, YouTube now to see if mine... Jay, I will never let you down again. I only ever make a mistake once. I learned from it. I won't do it again. I'm really sorry. I won't do that again. I rushed this morning and I thought, this is why I always ask, does everyone see that? Because very few people react to it. That's why I always ask. And I thought, no one reacts to it. No one's watching. You were watching. So even if just you watches every day, I'll make sure I never miss again. I'm sorry. My Discord name is Rosie. I wanted to clear up so you know Rose Messina is Rosie on Discord. I sent you a friend request. Right. For the last time, right, there's no Rosie on my Discord server. There is none. I've just searched for you like 4 times. There is none. You can't send me a friend request unless you're on my server, unless you are a pro member. There is a Discord. If you do it now, I'll try and fix this for you. Right? There's a Discord link. Micron exploding. Yes. Don't buy it now, though. People taking money on Tesla. No problem. I normally listen to you while driving home. I ended up listening to some boring Chinese YouTube chat. I'm always live at the same time anyway. I mean, I'm always live at the same time anyway. I'm seeing it. It's there in Discord, YouTube now. Not for this morning's show, it's not, Starlight. YouTube now. No, not for this morning's show, mate. Not for this morning's show, Starlight. Yesterday's show, Legal in General, but not today's show, no. Did you buy TLT since you said you buy treasuries? No, I'm only in SGov. Oh, wait, hang on. Let me check. Yeah, go and check. Martyn, will you be on Discord? Yes, you've asked me 20 bloody times. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. I'm trying to do a members only event. Oh my God, I spelt Martyn incorrectly. There you go. You've just messaged a scammer. There you go. Rosie probably sent a friend. Yes, but Rosie, murderous monkey, you can't send me a friend request because you're not on my server. I only accept friend requests from pro members. You're not a pro member. You're not on my server. So it doesn't matter who you send a friend request to. I'm not accepting it. All right? Okay. Sorry, JD. No worries, mate. The chat is slower than you are. Got it. Sorry. No. I'm up to date now, right? Bloody hell. Hi, Martyn. I sent an application for Discord channel. Plugger Rickson. Why are you all joining Discord? I told you not to join it. I told you it was fully booked. Oh, my God. Plugger Rickson. Do spin the wheel. I know, potato family. I'm trying to, mate. I'm trying to, mate. Let me, oh, God. What a bloody day this is. Bloody right. Oh, hang on. Plugger. I just saw one. Pending. There you go. Plugger. Plugger Rickson. Plugger Rickson. Hi, Martyn. I sent an application. You did. I saw it. You know what? I'm going to help you out. because I'm trying to stick to 2. It's just not working today. Everybody wants to be on it. So let me help you out. You're talking to me. Let me help you out. You say this. In your application, you say this. To help me become an investor, I've been watching quite a few different channels, and I think this one is the best out of all I've seen. Perfect. I like you. You sound like a proper person, right? So interview, here it comes. I'm going to fast track you. Do you want to do it? Do you want the world record, Joshua Rickson? Do you want the world record for getting on Discord? You ready? Ready? This could be like you can't be faster than 8 minutes because the video you've got to watch takes 8 minutes. All right? Here it comes. Here it comes. Here is, watch your Discord. You could get the world record now, which is about 9.5 minutes. You can't be faster than 8. There's your first message. Somebody time him. There's your first message. Here's your second message. Here it comes. Here's your second message. Boom. Here comes the video that you've got to watch to tell you everything you need to know to protect your account. Scammers don't do this. They always guess the questions and get them wrong. So now here come the 4 questions. Boom. You've got the video. It's delivered to you. Boom. There is the questions. Boom. All right. Okay. Add friends to group. William may be able to help. We've got someone struggling here, and that is getting stressed to help. I need some help because I'm on a live show. I'm on a live show, and people are going mental. It's like, stop trying to join Discord. I'm trying to get to a stage event. So let's do it. Okay, I've done it. You got to watch that, answer it. I'll accept you. You get a membership. It take you 8.5 minutes would be the world record. That would be as fast as it's possible. No one could do it faster than that. So I will be watching. I will be watching. Members, where are you? Plugger, there you go. Join interview. Right, I'm in your interview now. I'm in your interview. I'm watching. I'm seeing what you do. So, Martyn, are you going off track? Focus on spin the wheel. No more comments. Potato family. Hang on a minute, mate. It's my show, innit? I'll spin the bloody wheel when I want to spin the wheel. I'm dealing with people here. I'm dealing with people. The one and only. Onboarding now only on Discord. Ultra Pro Max members. Yeah, Ultra Pro Max Plus. Stop joining Discord. Let this man do his thing. Well, I'm about to join a meeting. I know I can't help it, mate. And I can't help it. I'm trying to deal with people, and Intel is up again. You're going to miss it, mate. You're going to miss it. AMD is up again. Nvidia is up. Bloody hell, what's going on? They're all going up. I don't bloody care. Yeah, bloody hell, what's going on? Yes, it's all running. It's all running. But I prefer to be in Coca-Cola. I don't give a damn what it's all doing. Because it's all going to trim like a bloody hot potato in a minute. Not bothered. Coca-Cola is going up. Yes, it is. LOL, I'm sorry. So funny. We're like herding cats. Yeah, you are. You're a pain in the ass, but I love you. You're a pain in the ass, but I love you. All right? Well, yes, I know many works. I'm sick in bed enjoying. Right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, God, now a super chat. Now I've got to get the whiskey. If I get super chats, I drink whiskey. Should I go and get the whiskey?
At Nick New York 1 tip €2 through super chat.
When I get super chats, it's shots for whiskey. No, it's not. That's wrong. It's shots for super chats. I'm going to get the whiskey. I don't give a damn. It's Friday. We're getting rich. We're making money. No one's listening. Everyone's joining everything. Everyone's gone mental. I'm pressing all the buttons already wrong. I'm pressing all the buttons. Right, here it is. Let me go to members only. Let me spin the wheel. Let me do a free analysis. Let me then go to Discord. No more friggin' Discord. I'm going to try now. I'm going to try. Right? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Ready? Stop doing stuff. Don't do stuff. Here we go. Let me record this. Right, you ready? Here we go. The day has come to give it all away. Look at my portfolio. Started with $5,000 and we're now at 722. No guessing, no gambling. We've beaten the market 3 years on a row and I'm giving it all away. The Luca coin, you can cash it in. Are you ready? We're going to give you it and you can get stuff for it. Make sense? Let me explain what it's all about. Now, through the ups and downs of the market, for the bullish and the bearish, we've always been here, coming up to 5 years now. Yep, we've been beating the market for 3 years in a row. We've beaten Warren Buffett 3 years in a row, the S&P 3 years in a row, and we're beating the market as well this year. We're already 3.5 times up on the market this year. Not bad. It's all been done live in front of you, live on the channel. But now I want to give it all away. Why? It's a laugh, isn't it? I don't value any of this. I just value my members. I value the job and serving you. I don't give a damn what that number says. I don't even spend it, for God's sake. I just like winning. It's easy to win. And now I'm going to share even more of it with you. What am I talking about? Well, if you follow the show for 3.5 years, 4 years, 5 years in June, you will know I've been beating the market consistently. All my calls, all been spot on. It's been quite a journey. 5 grand, we're going to be at $1 million by the end of the decade. Scrub that, 2028. We're 2 years ahead of schedule. So I have done something today which is bloody mental. I just don't care. I'm giving it all away. Do you want a bit of it? Well, a few months ago, you may remember, live on the show, we gave away $2,000 in XRP. Live on the show, we paid it out, my own money, just for a laugh, just because we could. Now we're doing something even better. If you are a member on my Discord server, which is, to be frank, quite hard to get on because we only allow 1 or 2 people a day. Today's been a bit weird. I let 3 in today because everyone was going mental in the chat. We have the best Discord server on earth and it's about to get mental where I'm giving it all to you. All this goes to you. Let me explain exactly. I wanted to grow the best YouTube channel in the world, and we have the verification tick on YouTube. We have the 100,000 plaque. We're now going to 1 million, and I want to be the first 1 billion channel, and I believe we're going to get there. But our Discord server, I want that to be the best as well. Now, when I put it together, people were charging up to $1,000 to do less than what I do. I am in there 24/7 at 3 o'clock in the morning. Ask my members. I answer questions one-on-one. No AI, no robots, no bots, me and my team answering your questions live for you every single day. Okay? Showing all my trades, showing you how I'm winning, who I'm talking to, what's going on stage events. We have training courses inside the Discord server. We have our award-winning newsletter application inside our server. All of this great stuff inside our server. And how much is it? Guess, a couple of bucks a month. Why? That's just enough to keep the idiots out, the bots out, the trolls out, and time to take out the commission to Discord and the tax. I'm lucky if I get $1 a person. It's not for the money. It really isn't. It's not worth my time, but I love to help people. So I just want it to be there to provide a service. So if you're lucky enough to get on Discord, because we only let 1 or 2 people in a day, and we don't want everyone to join. We just want good people who want to invest. I want to reward you once you get in. So we are. Guess what we're doing? You're going to love this. It's the best thing ever. Nobody in the world will ever do this. You'll never hear this on any other server. I promise no one does this. So once you get into our server, couple of bucks, no price increase ever, no inflation ever. You get all my trades, you get 24 access. If you're a pro member, you can message me. It's the only way on earth you can. There's not any other way you can message me, just through Discord Pro. We now have a gaming channel for free where you can win the famous Luca coin, which soon to be, I hope anyway, a real crypto coin in real life. if there is such a real life crypto coin. You know what I mean. Anyway, you can play inside our server for free, the gaming channel, roulette, dice, all kinds of things to win Luca coins. It's free. It's a bit of fun. You win some coins. We're also going to reward our members. The ones that are members, we're going to give you free coins as well, where you don't even have to do anything. So we're basically promoting being lazy. I need to scrub that. I shouldn't do that, but I'm going to do it anyway. I'm promoting you being lazy. Yep. You can win Luca coins. And then, even better, you get the Luca coins and you go into the shop. Now, the shop opened today, but it's about to get better and better and better, because the Luca coins, which you won for free in the first place, which I gave you for free in the first place, you can spend them for stuff. Pretty good, right? What can I get? I hear you cry. What can we get for our Luca coins? You can get loads of stuff. You can get things like free stock analysis, which you can pay 10, 20 bucks for. But now you can get it for free. Hooray! You can get some, you can choose what stock earnings that we cover. That normally costs 10 bucks. You can get it for free. Hooray! This is good, isn't it? With the free coins. What about merchandise? What about this? Remember this famous hat? We brought her out. This is when people started trolling our channel going, oh, it's rubbish. Martyn's a scammer. He's not really beating the market. He just makes it all up. So I said, stuff that. I'm bringing out a hat called the FAFO hat. Faff around and find out. And they found out because we banned them all and we carried on making money. Who wants a free hat? Who wants a free mug? Who wants a free t-shirt? Now, what about something bigger than that? What if I start talking to sponsors and they say, hey, Martyn, I'd like to sponsor the channel. Now, you know I don't want to do sponsoring. I don't want money. I don't need it. I want whatever is good for my audience. So if you're watching this video now and you're a business and you think, well, I'll sponsor your channel. Can I give you a holiday to give away? Yeah, you can. Give me the holiday. Let's put it in Discord and those that win coins can buy it for free coins. How about it? So you could end up winning holidays. It's mental, right? You think this is too good to be true? Yep. A lot of trolls will probably say, this is rubbish. This isn't really happening. We just don't care because it is happening. Here they are talking their nonsense with their big spiky faces coming out. We just don't care. We keep winning. We keep doing it. We keep helping people. We keep growing. The first 1 billion channel in the world. It's going to happen. You can't stop it. That's going to $1 million and I'm sharing it all with you. So as I get more, you get more and it's free. Free coins, free prizes, free merchandise, free perks. Everyone's happy, right? Of course you are. If you love it and you want to be part of it, understand we only let a couple of people a day join. So there's a bit of a list, all right? That's just the way it goes because we don't want millions joining. It's not what we do. We want real investors that we can help. We want to build a family where you can contribute to the platform. If you're just trying to scam or make noise, or you're not welcome, we don't need it, all right? And in return, we're going to be nice to you and give you all this stuff. So click above my head for all the links to Discord down below. You can also be a member on YouTube as well. Loads of stuff down there as well. Same thing, really. Doesn't go up in price. No inflation ever. We add more all the time. Over here and over here, I'll put some links. I'll put some links to some stuff. If you're watching live, stay where you are because I'm not really going anywhere, but I just wanted to record this video. All right, so here we go. Let me end it out right now. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, I'm back. You've seen it first. You've seen it first. That's going to go out later on. Bring me to the Mars with the coins. Buy it, the UFO file set to be released. Oh my God, you are right. You are right. Josh, I believe them right. Potato, did you? Right, there's that done. Plugger Rickson, yes, no, came in, come on the Discord chat, post a screenshot, yeah. This is the guy who was trying to become the world record holder to join the Discord server, and now he's going, Martyn, I'm not going to be the world record holder because you talked for 8 minutes, you ruined it. Yes, no, Plugger Rickson, there you go, set that, approve that. Hi, Plugger. I've just accepted your friend request. You now have a short window, maybe about an hour, to choose your membership. If you choose Pro, no price increase ever, no inflation ever. You can play the gaming channel, all the good stuff. Send me a friend request. I'll accept it and blah, 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 blah. Anyway, you know who I am. Just been talking to you on YouTube. Good luck to you, mate. I'll look out for your application. Cheers. Right. There's that. Okay. Right. Now then, I promised you we'll go over now to Discord, on-stage events, but first, spin the wheel. So, you ready? Here we go. Oh my God, I can't believe this. So here we go. So stream settings, edit, customization, get rid of that. Redirect, boom, save. Right, here it comes. Members only, live stream, all channel members. Yes. Starts in 5 minutes. Yes. Schedule. Yes. If you look in the chat right now, see it? There's a countdown. The countdown is on. The countdown is on. Right. In 5 minutes, it goes to members only. Members only are going to get spin the wheel for a stock review. Yes, a stock review for free. Not the whole 10 questions. That takes me ages to put together. A mini review for all members for free, just because. Just because, right? Because the what? Because of the wonderful things he does. We're off to see the wizard. The wonderful wizard of Wars. Confused? I'm confused. Right, okay. It's okay to be confused, folks. Don't worry about it. We're all bloody confused. Let me... Right. Here we go. I haven't done this for a while. I've got to remember how I do it. Oh, God. Please delete. Please delete. Delete forever. Bloody hell, Vaz, you're confusing me. Confuse me. Doesn't take much, mate. Jobs report upcoming. Members only. Here we go. So, I've got to go into this. Leave it like that. Enable auto start. Oh, God. I shouldn't do that, should I? I shouldn't touch it. Should I touch it? I can't remember. Oh, damn, I haven't done this for ages. I shouldn't touch it. Oh, my God. I ain't done this for ages. What do I do? How long have I got? How long has it got? 3.5 minutes. Edit. Okay, you change that to that. Yeah, okay, do that. Okay, yeah. Customization. I've got to put it into a playlist because you won't see it. Yeah. Members. Playlist. Here we go. Members only. Upcoming members only. Done. Save. God, I hope I've done it right. I haven't done this for a while. I'm probably messing it all up. It's probably a complete disaster. But we're going to play spin the wheel. Let me put it on the screen. For all members. Members only event. It'll take there automatically. So on the homepage, you should see this. Upcoming members live stream. There it is. Upcoming members only. So if you're a member, you see it. If you're not a member, you don't. If you want to become a member, you've got 2 minutes. There you go. This is only members get to see this. Spin the wheel. Whee! Right, click on it. Whoop, that's a bit big. All right, there we go. Members only. Members only. Here we go. Live seat. Okay. Live now. Members only. There it is in the chat. End the poll. Live now, members only. Pin message. There it is. There's the live event. We're going there right now. Okay. Spin the wheel. How long we got? 1 minute 13. So in 1 minute 13, this will end. That'll be it. You've had your chips and it will go directly over. It does it automatically. It might be a little bit of a hiccup like that, but we'll get there and we'll play spin the wheel and you get a free stock analysis on me. Pick any stock you want, spin the wheel. We like to call it spin the flipping wheel because it gets a bit crazy. And let's see what happens. Hope it's going to work. It might not. Because I haven't done it for a while, I might mess it up, but I'll try and get it right. Oh, God, I hope it works. I hope it works. I hope it works. How long have I got? 35 seconds to go. 35 seconds to go. So we're about to end it on the phones. How many people are watching on the phones? 23 people watching on the phone. You need that. That's going to end now. That's going to end now, folks. That's going to end. Right, that's going to end. So you want to jump on, click the icon. 10 seconds to go. That's it, guys. See you over there on the members event. Stay where you are. Click on the link. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2.